Relax. Submission, my lord.
All for Monday, give.
Hello, my lord.
Such matters Monday could. Next 2 days only half day, division bench is there.
Hello, my lord.
All for Monday.
Submission.
Very mentioning it, wait.
Hello.
And they will come according to seniority on compliance with office objections. 2018. ಆಯ್ತು ತಾಳಿ ಬೇರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಂದು ಮೇಬ ಬರ್ಲಿ ತಾಳಿ ವೇಟ್ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ಸೆಟಲ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡಿ. When do you want?
Tomorrow, I have written.
2:30.
Tomorrow.
Settlement ಯಾವ್ದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡಿ. Now tell me what is it? So what? Age ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾ ಮತ್ತೆ 32 years old. 82. Huh? 92. What's the problem now? Cognizance 30 years ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಕೊಡಿ ನಾಳೆಗೆ ಹಾಕಿ. Give it for tomorrow. ಆಯ್ತು ಕೊಡಿ. ಎಸ್ ಅವ್ರು ನಾಡಿದ್ದು ಹಾಕ್ಬೋದಾ? 18th. Sorry, 16th. Pending matters next week in the Bharat. ಇರೋದೇ 2 ವರ್ಷದ 23-24. According to seniority, we will list it. No priority, only seniority. Yes. No problem, sir. Notice ಆಗಿತ್ತಲ್ವಾ? Bharat. All those matters will come according to seniority. Pending matters where there is no interim order idea. Pending matters where there is no interim order, please don't mention. I will get it listed according to seniority. ಯಾವ ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಇಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಲ್ ಇರೋದು ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡಿ, ನಾನು ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. It will come, sir. Barely it will come. No, ಕೊಡಿ. Give the memo. If you want to give the memo in pending matters where there is no interim order, please give. But it will get listed only on seniority basis.
Petitioners has been repeatedly summoning. Morning they issue a summon, afternoon they issue a summon, evening they issue a summon. The 2016 procurement agreement, the last day civil cases, now when I go to the IO, takes me to DCP and DCP threatens me that I should settle the matter.
DCP threatens you?
ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಟ್ಲ್ ಆಗ್ಲೇಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ.
ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ನಾಳೆ ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಥ್ರೆಟನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ? ಆಯ್ತು.
This matter was filed on 12th of the September, my lordship.
So what? Fresh pending?
Fresh matter, so 3 ಸರಿ
ರೆಡಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮಂಡೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಕೊಡಿ.
Day after tomorrow ಗೆ ಫೈನಲ್ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ ಡಿಸ್ಪೋಸಲ್ ಗೆ ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಟ್ರಯಲ್ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
ಆಯ್ತು, ನಾಡಿದ್ದು ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳಿ.
Tomorrow, my lord.
ನಾಳೆ tomorrow ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳಿ.
We are seeking for a speedy trial.
Another matter, my lordship. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕನೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್
ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಸರ್.
ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಕನ್ನಡರು 16th ಗೆ ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಕೊಡಿ.
ಇದನ್ನು
ಕಂಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಸೀನಿಯಾರಿಟಿ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಮಂಡೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
16th ಗೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಹಾಕಿ.
ಬೇರೆ ಚಾಯ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಕೊಡಿ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್.
16.
Not in this
ಸ್ಪೀಡಿ ಟ್ರಯಲ್.
Speedy trial, my lord.
Give it. NDPS.
NDPS, my lord.
Give it, yes.
My lords,
Monday.
default bail matter, my lords.
Monday.
I'm informed that they are filing a charge sheet against the other accused
Default
consultant.
bail matter ಏನು ರಿಸರ್ವ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
Illa, your lordships had heard me in part before the vacations. If your lordships may kindly have it tomorrow, I'll file a memo seeking conversion into a regular bail application.
ಅದು ಇಲ್ಲೇಂಗ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ?
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ because
ಮಾಡಿ
all the documents.
ನಾಳೆ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮೇಡಮ್. ವಿಲ್ ಸೆಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್.
Grateful.
Pressure pending, sir. Monday.
My lord,
Monday, according to seniority, please give all the memos. Why are you waiting? Tomorrow and day after, I'm not taking. So please give all the memos for Monday. They will come according to seniority. Give it.
my lord, malicious
Under this, my
prosecution.
lord,
under-
Bella malicious prosecution is, sir. Kodi.
Under provisions of the SC/ST Act, my lord, my clients are senior citizens. 1.5 ತಿಂಗಳಿಂದ they have not been able to attend to their duty as
Bail
doctor.
ತಗೊಂಡಿಲ್ವಾ? Bail ತಗೊಂಡಿಲ್ವಾ?
Bail reject ಆಗಿದೆ, my lord.
ಮತ್ತೆ.
My lord, this is a clear-cut malicious prosecution. There are pending
Maybe,
civil
maybe.
disputes,
Give
my
it.
lord.
Yes.
Fresh matter, my lord. Kindly
Monday,
have
sir.
it tomorrow, my lord.
No, tomorrow, Monday. Bail ತಗೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ Monday.
My lord.
My lord, bail ಸಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ, my lord.
ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕ?
The provisions are
My
stringent.
lord,
1.5 ತಿಂಗಳಾಗಿದೆ.
my lord, in this matter, my lord,
ಮತ್ತೆ I can't come
Monday.
back. Wait.
my lord, no, the petitioner
I
is
can't come back. Wait. Yes.
the same matter, my lord.
Fresh matter ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಕೊಡಿ.
Residing since 7 years in a Europe country.
So,
I've been prosecuted under 498.
so,
I'm a permanent resident. Now the authorities are, sent a request for.
ಅದು ಕೊಡಿ ಮಂಡ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಕೊಡಿ. ಏನ್ 7 years?
Here,
No day after tomorrow.
Petitioner is a doctor.
Huh?
Liver transplant surgeon.
Liver? ಹಾ,
Lord, there is a partnership date between the Lord complaint.
ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಸರ್ ಕೊಡಿ.
And arbitration clause is there. Lord.
ಮಂಡೇ ಕೊಡಿ ಸರ್, ಮಂಡೇ ಸೀನಿಯಾರಿಟಿ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಕೊಡಿ.
Lord, the CCB has filed a Lord FIR.
ಹಾ,
Lord, even though they are law authority, 506 and 4
ಏನ್?
has been revoked.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾಳೆಗೇನು?
Lord, they are not arranging like anything to Lord come and settle them at. Because of that reason.
ಮಂಡೇ
Tomorrow-
ಏನ್ ಮಂಡೇ ಕೊಡಿ.
File a charge sheet tomorrow itself.
ಬಹಳ ಸಂತೋಷ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿ. ಲೆಟ್ ದೆಮ್ ಡೂ ಸರ್ ಕೊಡಿ. ಲೆಟ್ ದೆಮ್ ಡೂ ಸರ್. Monday.
Has to go on some transplant surgery.
ಮಂಡೇ
All over country has to travel.
ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸರ್.
Because of that reason, Lord, yeah.
ನೋ ಇಶ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಂಡೇ.
Lord, tomorrow.
ನೋ
With your lordship kind
ಅಟ್ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್
permission,
ಟುಮಾರೋ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾಳೆಗ್ ಮುಂಚೆ ಯಾವ್ದಾರು ಇದೆಯಾ? ಎಸ್.
with your lordship kind permission, one civil matter is pending before the civil court, my lord.
ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್
Fresh matter, my lord. And
ಮೆಮೊ
there's a-
ಕೊಡಿ ಸರ್.
There is a threat of arrest by the police, my lord. More than several times we have requested and given the document to them.
ನೋ
In
ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್.
spite- in
Give it,
spite of-
give it,
Day
yes.
after tomorrow.
ನೋ ಡೇ ಆಫ್ಟರ್. ಕೊಡೋಂಗಿದ್ರೆ ಕೊಡಿ. ಮಂಡೇಗೆ ಅದು ಸೀನಿಯಾರಿಟಿ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಎಸ್. ವಿಡ್ರಾ ಗಿವ್ ಇಟ್. ಎಸ್.
Pending matter, no interest.
ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ನೋ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡ್ರೆ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಮೂವ್. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟೆಡ್. I am getting everything listed. I will not list it if you move a memo. Entry ಮಾಡ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇರೋ ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ಸ್ ಮೆಮೋ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಸಲ್ಲ. 23, 24 ಎರಡೇ ದಿನ ಇರೋದು. Tuesday and Wednesday I am getting all of them listed. Wait.
my lords, here question of law is challenged. Question of. law
Wait,
is
sir.
challenged.
Matter that I filed last month, my lord, it's arising out of a commercial transaction.
Give it, sir.
My lord, it may be listed tomorrow.
It won't be listed. Give it.
Invest-
It won't be listed tomorrow. Yes.
Lords, here question of law is challenged, my lords.
ಎಲ್ಲದ್ರಲ್ಲೂ ಅದೇ ಹೇಳಿ.
My lords, here beyond the limitation.
Monday
there-
ಕೊಡಿ ಸರ್.
My lords,
My lord.
tomorrow.
No tomorrow.
19th is the
Nothing doing Monday.
trial court date ಇದೆ, my lords.
Or 26th ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ.
My lords.
My lord, on submission,
If you want it, take it on Monday.
my lord, submission, petitioner ಬ್ರದರ್ನ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂರಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು 5 ಲಕ್ಷ ಸೆಟ್ಲ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ ಈ ಹೊಡಿಬಾರ್ದು ಜಾಗಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಹೊಡಿತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ನವರು.
ಕೊಡಿ.
ಸಂಜೆ ಆದ್ರೆ ವಾಪಸ್ ಮನೆ ಕಳಿಸ್ತಾರೆ.
ಹೊಡೆದು
ಅಣ್ಣನ್
ಮನೆ ಕಳಿಸ್ತಾ
ಹೊಡೆದು
ಇದ್ದಾರಾ?
ಮನೆ ಕಳಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಣ್ಣನ ಮೇಲೆ FIR ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. 5 lakhsಗೆ ಡಿಮ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಮೇಡಮ್.
2 matter, my lord, brother and
FR ನಂಬರ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇನ್ನು ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಮೊನ್ನೆ FIR ಆಗಿರೋದು ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ನೆನ್ನೆ ಆಗಿರೋದು. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ
ಬಿಲ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕೆ ನೆನ್ನೆ ಆಗಿರೋದು ಹರಾಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ಈಗಲೂ ಫೋನ್
ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್
ನಾನ್ bail
ಪೊಲೀಸ್
ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ,
ಆಫೀಸರ್
bail
ಪೊಲೀಸ್
ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ.
ಆಫೀಸರ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಟು ಮೈ ಲಾರ್ಡ್.
ನಾಡಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾಕಿ. ಎಸ್.
ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಮೇಡಮ್.
Fresh matter, my lord.
Fresh
FR
ಎರಡುವೆ.
ನಾಡಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲದ್ರೆ ಸೋಮವಾರನೇ.
The cash for
Much
ticket scam, my lord. One
Ah.
rupees of mine is seized with the police. I'm the complainant in that.
You want it back?
Yes, my lord, 1 year, my lord, I didn't get the application. Magistrate and Sessions Court both has rejected my application.
All right, give it. Monday.
Your Honor, I am 90 years heart patient. I can't sit to stand. I want the earliest date of hearing. I will be very much pleased.
ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ವೆಡ್ನೆಸ್ಗೆ ಹಾಕಿ ಮೇಡಮ್. ಬುಧವಾರ.
Fresh matter, my lord.
Earliest date of hearing.
ಬುಧವಾರ.
Budwara,
ಹಾ,
Wednesday.
ಹೌದು.
Thank you, Your Honor.
ಎಸ್.
My lord,
Very honor.
petitioner is a student falsely alleged in the crime of section 354 of IPC.
ಫ್ರೆಶ್.
Fresh matters, my lord.
Why are you waiting for fresh matters? Please give
Pending
all the fresh matters.
pending
Pending matter ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ.
vacating is time, my lord.
Vacating stay ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಎಸ್.
Tomorrow, my lord.
Give fresh matter. Fresh matter.
It is pending, my lord. The reason is that the.
ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ವಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ, petitioner is.
ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ವಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ, entry ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. Petitioner is traveling abroad, my lord, and he is to undergo.
ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. Give it. It will come. Tuesday, Wednesday will have.
Forward.
ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡರ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇರೋದು ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾವೇ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ನೀವೇ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ.
My lords,
He is to undergo the surgery.
ಲೆಟ್ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಎಸ್. ವಾಟ್ ಸರ್ಜರಿ?
He is undergone the bypass surgery 1 and 2nd surgery is on.
ವೇರ್?
In the Jaira hospital, and the learned magistrate is, my lord, has dismissed my application under 205 also.
No. Where do you want to travel now?
My lord, after I have to take my daughter to, my lord, her counseling at the.
ಬೈಪಾಸ್ ನಿಮ್ದ ಯಾರ್ದು?
ಮಗಳ್ ನಾನು ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬೇಕು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು.
ನೀವು ಸರ್ಜರಿನ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್?
Not for exam, she has some co-curricular activities coming on and he's 205 application.
Yes, yes.
For Tuesday or Wednesday.
No. Wednesday ಹಾಕಿ.
Wednesday, I'm good. Great.
Sorry? Pending matter. ಬರ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡಿ.
Wednesday. After the time is not reached.
No problem, it will come, yes. No date, yes. No, ಅವ್ರು ಯಾರು ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಸರ್ಜರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಡೇಟ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ವಾ? ಹಂಗಾರೆ ಮಂಡೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಂಡೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಮೆಮೋ ಏನ್ ಬೇಡ, ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಬಿಡಿ.
Is completed and is presently engaging, but, is completed 6 months of this conviction period, but, right? It's a check bounce matter, but there are 3 check bounce matters, out of which, is completed in 6 months. whereas the considered, to be taken up independently in 6 months each, but, right? Whereas, matter does not speak, so the matter is arising out of the same matter.
ಮಂಡೇಗೆ
Just that, SCR is completed.
yes.
The admission ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ರೀಚ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ.
ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, yes.
Fresh matters.
It will come.
Notice.
I'll get them listed. If you move a memo, it will be chaos. Wait,
This KP Act will not
Fresh,
regulate fresh matter, but take instructions ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ last time.
ಹಂಗಾರೆ ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಅದು ಕೊಡಿ.
KP
Memo
20 ಜನ
ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡಿ.
ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ
ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡ್ರಿಲ್ಲ,
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
ಇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ.
It will come. ಇರೋದು 23, 24 ಎರಡೇ ವರ್ಷದ್ದು they'll come.
ಮೊನ್ನೆ
ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಡಿಕ್ಟೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಸ್ ಸಭಾ.
It's not a pseudo urgence.
Yes.
Lots the.
ಮಂಡೇ ಸರ್ ಕೊಡಿ.
Successive 482 pertaining to the Harvard bench.
ಧಾರವಾಡ ಬೆಂಚ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರೈಡೇನೆ. ಗಿವ್ ಇಟ್.
Sub-registrar, absolute non-application of mind FIR will be registered against a serving sub-registrar.
ಏನು
Taken to court.
ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೈಂಡ್ 7A ಮತ್ತೆ
ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 406, 420.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೈಂಡ್
My lords,
156(3)
No, no, no. Absolutely no.
ದಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಸಿ. ಅದು ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಯಾವ್ದು ಕೇಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಮಂಡೇ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. ಸಬ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರಾರ್ ಹೆರಾಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ತೊಂದ್ರೆ ಕೊಡಿ.
Kindly be taken.
ಏನು ಟುಮಾರೋ
Please.
ಅದು 27th ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಎಸ್,
Great.
Your lordship, one fresh matter, your lordship,
ಮಂಡೇಗೆ ಹಾಕಿ ಮೇಡಮ್.
one fresh matter, your lordship.
ಮಂಡೇ
CBL
ಕೊಡಿ.
98, I am not pressing the
ತೊಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, wait.
application for extension of.
ಎಸ್, ಕಾಲ್ ದಿ ಕೇಸಸ್ ಮೇಡಮ್.
Your lord, one fresh matter, your lordship.
Serial number 53
last-
has become
My lord-
infectious. Dismissed as withdrawn.
ಅದು 5 ನಿಮಿಷದಲ್ಲಿ ರೀಚ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ವೇಟ್.
Your lordship, one fresh matter, your lordship, last 2 months back, I had filed, your lordship. Till today, it is in.
ನೀವು ಫೈಲ್ ಮಾಡೋದಷ್ಟೇ. ಯು ಆರ್ ಸಚಿನ್, ರೈಟ್?
Yes, yes.
You don't come to the court at all
No, lordship.
in any of the cases.
No, lordship.
I have adjourned, dismissed most of them non-prosecution. ನೋಡಿ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ್ದಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ
No,
ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
lordship. I appeared, your lordship. I appeared, your lordship.
Yes, sir.
It's,
That's why I asked you, what's your name?
No, lordship. Lordship has given date, your lordship, but it is not posted,
Monday,
your lordship.
Monday. Fresh matter?
Fresh matter, your lordship.
Monday
Okay.
seniority ಪ್ರಕಾರ.
Yes, your lordship.
FR number ಅದನ್ನು.
Yes, your lordship.
Open to fill number 1.
ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಪೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಾ?
90 lakhs already paid, your lordship.
Ah.
20% they are directly paid, my lord.
Deposit.
We are already intimated to the trial court also, madam.
Then we'll close this.
No, already matter is disposed, my lord. They are,
ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಡಿಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಆಗೋಯ್ತಾ?
before the son of court.
Pending, your lordship.
Appeal is pending, my lord. Before the son of court matter is disposed, my lord. They are seeking for modification of the.
ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್?
Your lordship, that directed, your lordship, directed to payment of the 20% of the amount within 12 weeks, your lordship. that.
ಈಗ ಪೇ ಮಾಡಿದೀರಾ?
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದು 90 lakhs ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ. Already paid 20 lakhs.
ಮೈಕ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಮೈಕ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
Your lordship, that the 14 lakhs is the deposit amount, your lordship, that. There's a 20% of the check amount.
ಈಗ 14 ಲಕ್ಷ ಡೆಪಾಸಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀರಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ?
ಅಲ್ಲ, 14 ಲಕ್ಷ ಡೆಪಾಸಿಟ್ 19 ಲಕ್ಷ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ.
ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
They are given, my lord. We are already intimated. to
Then
the same-
intimate that to the court.
We already intimated trial court, my lord. There is no warrant executed against the petition. my lord.
But after that.
This matter was disposed by an order dated 20th June 2024. The matter was moved for being spoken to on the score. The 12 weeks period was over by the time the copy could be released. The learned counsel appearing for the respondent submits that he has received 19 lakhs of the check amount, and the same has been intimated to the concerned court as well. In that light, no further orders need to be passed in the case at hand. Yes.
Trial court is there, appeal court.
ಮುಂಚೆ ಏನಿದೆ, all other observations made in the original order shall stand intact.
Please,
Next.
Please.
Fresh matters. Fill number 2.
The state's objection ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ madam.
For petitioners in this case, ma'am.
Juvenile,
Please, ma'am.
ಏನು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಸ್ ಅಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ.
Lordship, I'll, day after.
Anyway,
Monday,
you've stepped in for the first time.
Monday.
So next, no Monday ತಗೊಳ್ಳಲ್ಲ. I'll take it on Tuesday, next
Please.
Tuesday. By then, try to file your objections or clarify everything. File nobody ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. List on Tuesday the next. Interim order subsisting shall continue to the next date of hearing.
Please, ma'am.
Next.
Number 3.
What's this is, I am the accused number 2 in the charge sheet.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಂದೇಶ್ ಚೌಟ ಅವರಿಲ್ಲ.
Last time ನಾ ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರು ಬಂದ್ರು.
No, lighter way.
I saw the odd sheet, that's why, my lords. The issue is, my lords, I was,
Difficult case.
I understand, but the complaint against me
For accused number 2,
in the charge sheet.
all right.
That's in, so, in the complaint, the only allegation made against me is, there is no allegation that any money has been paid to me. The only
Not
allegation,
necessary.
that's, and it's the company, and if your lordship sees the
Sir,
entire,
It's Buds Act.
it's under the Buds Act. The entire allegation is the money has been paid to one Shant Kumar, who is the accused number 3. I am not even the managing director. I am not even, there should be some.
You project yourself to be the director,
Direct.
but
If your lordship sees.
horrible business dealings.
Lords, the company, my lords, in fact, we have said from the company side, we were ready to return the money.
Return
if you-
ಮಾಡಿ ಈಗ್ಲೂ. Return ಮಾಡಿ.
ಅದು complaint ಹಾಕಿದಾರಲ್ಲ.
All the accused come together and return the money. Everything will be over.
Lords, that's what we have said. So in the complaint, it's, I mean, sorry, in the
If
petition.
accused have come together for the crime, for that also you can
Your
always.
lordship sees 41. Complaint, the entire allegation is against one
No,
Shant
no.
Kumar. My, so far as I am concerned, not a single, lords, allegation against me. I am not even the managing director. I am only a director.
Correct. You say you are the director.
Lords, and the charge sheet also does not say that I was in charge. The charge sheet has been filed, nothing.
I know, page 80 to 82, elaborate.
My lords, that's what they, the story is elaborate, but nothing comes out so far.
Acts are also elaborate. Where in under 482 ಹೆಂಗಾಗುತ್ತೆ sir?
I'm only saying that's the only issue.
Very difficult case. Otherwise, discharge ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Heard the learned senior counsel, N. Panindra appearing for the petitioner. The learned senior counsel, after arguing the matter at length, would seek leave of the court to withdraw the petition and prefer the remedy of filing a discharge before the concerned court. All contentions left open. Disposed.
May I make one more request? I'm
ಹೇಳಿ.
told, I was on bail. Thereafter, my lords, the exemption application had been filed. That's been
The
rejected.
learned senior counsel at this juncture would submit that an application seeking exemption from appearance was filed before the concerned court, which has been rejected.
And NBW has been issued.
Rejected and an NBW is issued. The petitioner is at liberty to file an application seeking his exemption, her exemption, seeking his exemption from appearance before the concerned court, and if such an application is filed, the concerned court shall answer the same on its merit. Till such time, warrant of any kind shall stand suspended.
Please.
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು 1 ವರ್ಷ ತಗೋಬೇಡಿ objection.
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲ. Your lordship can fix
Application, the application, if any, seeking exemption shall be filed within 4 weeks from the date of receipt of the copy of the order, and the concerned court shall pass necessary orders within 4 weeks thereafter. Till such time, ಅದು ಕೊನೆಗೆ ಬರಲೇಬೇಕು. Yes. Search and seizure prior to FIR.
Please.
ನೋಡಿ ಅದು ಕಾಪಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
ಯಾವ್ದದು?
ಅದು ಇದು ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಫೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ.
ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಜಗದೀಶ್ is not there today?
No, your lordship, not yet, not yet.
Not yet.
FIR, it is just in FIR stage, your lordship.
ನಾನು ಅದಕ್ಕಲ್ಲ, ಜಗದೀಶ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ?
Today is on leave, tomorrow.
All right. So this will have to answer whether search and seizure prior to registration of the FIR
ಹೌದು ಸರ್.
is valid or not.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಮೊದಲು ಒಂದು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅವ್ರು ಮೊನ್ನೆ ರೆಫರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ನೋಡಿದೆ.
ಹಾ.
ಅದು
ಅದಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ನಾನೇ ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಒಂದು 8-10 ಕೇಸ್ ಇದೆ, ನೀವೇನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ, ನಾನೇ ನೋಡಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. Yes.
ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಕೇಳ್ತೇನೆ.
List the matter on next Thursday, ಹಾಕಿ madam. List the matter on next Thursday. There shall be an interim order of stay of further proceedings till the next date of hearing.
Fine.
There are 8 to 10 judgments, not one you have given.
ನಾನು
Yes,
ನೋಡಿದೆ.
we'll see. ನೀವು ಇನ್ನೂ 1984 ಹಸನಬ್ಬಲ್ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಅದೇ
ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಇದೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಇದೆ.
This matter,
2013.
13 matter, my lord.
ಏನ್ ಈಗ 2024 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 25 ಬಂತು.
No, the petitioners, my lord, accused number 16 and 18.
ಹಾ.
Lord, no allegation made against.
Oh, no, sir.
Lord, kindly.
I will direct the court to conclude the proceedings. I will not interfere now.
Kindly, my lord.
13 ವರ್ಷ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಏನಿಂದ ಬಂತು?
ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ what happened, my lord?
Kindly peruse the complaint, madam.
No,
The
sir.
entire complaint.
I am not
no
putting the
allegation.
clock back to 12 years.
Signatory to the, as a witness to the sale deed, my lord, is a civil nature. Suit for specific form is pending.
Charge frame
No.
ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
Charge
Evidence
frame
ಆಗ್ತಾ
ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ.
ಇದೆಯಾ?
Charge frame ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ.
Charge frame ಆಗಿಲ್ವಾ ಇನ್ನು?
ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ.
ಇಲ್ಲ.
Yes, madam.
Next date is 11th of November. Hearing in,
In HBC.
hearing, just hearing is mentioned.
ಅಲ್ಲ, what hearing? Where is the order sheet?
Order sheet at my lord, page number.
Just check the proceedings date, madam.
11, your lord.
ಅಲ್ಲ, stage, sorry.
Please.
The learned HCGP is directed to secure instructions with regard to the stage of the proceedings before the concerned court. ಅದು charge frame ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ it is a matter to be stayed, we will stay it. List on next Monday. Yes. Next Tuesday in the 24, madam. 24, 20, Wednesday. Wednesday in the fresh matters list. Yes.
Number 6.
66 C ಇದೆ, IT Act.
66C.
Yes,
Settlement ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾಕೆ ತೊಂದರೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀರಾ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ? In the meantime. Yes, next.
67. Sorry, 7.
Petitioner. That's 138 proceedings, my lord.
I am
This is a
appearing
covered
for
by
the
judgment, my
respondent
lord.
in this case. Today only I have heard the wakalat and I need the copy of the petition, my lord.
All right, sir.
And also another one writ petition is pending before this honorable, my lordship. The,
Then-
that is the allegation by the respondent number 2 in that case of 420 and
ಅವ್ರು
506.
ಅವ್ರು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೇಲೆ ಹಾಕಿದಾರಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ,
No, no, no.
both the cases filed.
The
by
respondent has filed the criminal case against the petitioner of this case.
All right.
Please kindly club one. The battery is one and the same in both the case.
ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೇ ಇದೆಯಾ?
Adult state.
No,
Stay.
ಅದು ಹೇಳ್ದೆ ಇದ್ರೆ ಸರಿ ಹೋಗಿರೋದು.
please.
Yes, the learned counsel appearing for the second respondent submits that another writ petition, another criminal writ petition or criminal petition?
Writ petition.
Red petition.
Another writ petition is pending between the parties arising out of an identical cause of action. The learned counsel therefore tag this petition number kodi.
11144 of 2022, my lordship.
22.
Yes.
So and so. List this matter on next 24.
Till then, my lord.
Next, wait, sir. Madam, next Wednesday date and ನನಗೆ confuse ಆಗ್ತದೆ. 23rd. 23 matters ಎಲ್ಲ Tuesday, 24 matters ಎಲ್ಲ Thursday. ನಾನು date Wednesday. Date ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನೀವೇ. List on next so and so. There shall be an interim order of stay of further proceedings in the light of the issue standing completely answered by a judgment of the coordinate bench of this court in the case of Premalata by so and so 2018 6 KLJ 445. Yes, next.
And
It's
give the
covered by
direction
that,
to,
sir.
give the direction to other side to serve the copy of this. writ.
ಈಗಲೇ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ಈಗಲೇ ಕೊಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ interim order operate ಆಗಲ್ಲ.
ಈಗಲೇ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ.
Yes,
Please, my lords.
yes.
Sorry.
ಇದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾಕೆ? ಸೇಮ್ ಕ್ವಾಶನ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೀರಾ ಮತ್ತೆ ಈಗ?
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ.
ಓಯ್, ಅದಕ್ಕೂ ಇದಕ್ಕೂ ಸಂಬಂಧ ಇಲ್ವಾ?
ಸಂಬಂಧ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ probably may I just straight away invite my lord's kind attention to only one paragraph in the statement of victim, which my lord may kindly turn to page 41.
No, which is the case that I considered?
But the other case. Kindly go to page 41 minutes for a second.
Yes, sir.
This is 164 statement of the so-called victim. Kindly go to 42 now. 42. ಒಂದೊಂದು ಪ್ಯಾರಾನೆ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ. Kindly read this minute.
40.
In this single.
Opposite side serve ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಯ್ತು. Yes, sir. 40?
164 commences at 41. Relevant paragraph at 42.
All right.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಓದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನ
ನಾನು ನೋಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. 3. Now I have given the compilation. Only ಇದೆ. 376 ಹೇಗಾಗತ್ತೆ?
ಇದು ಕಂಪೈಲೇಷನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರೋದಾ ನೀವು ಹೇಗೆ?
ಒರಿಜಿನಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಅದೇ ಪೇಜು, ಈ ಕಂಪೈಲೇಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ.
41.
That will be easy. 41.
Sorry, my lord. In the submission, folks, additional SPP will come.
ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಬಂದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ.
ಅಂದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ಏನ್ ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇದೊಂದು ಪ್ಯಾರಾಗ್ರಾಫ್ ನೋಡೋಣ.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
Has it got the even the tinge of an offense under section 376? Next, my lord.
1 minute. Sir.
Kindly go to 64 now. Your lordship has finished reading this one, this paragraph.
One moment. Sir.
42. 42 ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ we will go to 61 and 64, madam. At this point of time, but it may constitute an offense, certainly, maybe under the POCSO, certainly not under section 376. Kindly go to page now 61. It commences at 61. Kindly go to page 62. ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಇವಳು ಕಳ್ತನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ಲು, ದುಡ್ಡು ಕದೀತಾ ಇದ್ಲು, ಎಲ್ಲರದು ಸಾಮಾನು ಕದೀತಾ ಇದ್ಲು, ಪೆನ್ನು ಪೆನ್ಸಿಲ್ ಕದೀತಾ ಇದ್ಲು. She is said to be another victim. But most important is, now kindly go to page 79. Well, the two witnesses are lugged into this case saying that they are also the aggrieved. They will say, why are you inviting me into this problem for this dirty politics which you have been playing? I am going to file a police complaint against you.
Where is that?
That your lordship would get at page 79. Kindly go to page 79.
I am at 79.
No, prior to that, my lord, I would like to draw my lord's attention to page 67. 67 is mother. Kindly go to 68. ಗಾಯತ್ರಿ ಅಮ್ಮನವರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ದೂರಿನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ನನಗೆ ಆಗಲಿ ನನ್ನ ಮಗಳೇ ಆಗಲಿ ಏನೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕೆ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನನಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ನನ್ನ ಮಗಳ ಹೆಸರನ್ನು ಯಾಕೆ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ತಂದರು, ನನ್ನ ಮಗಳಿಗೂ ಇದಕ್ಕೂ ಸಂಬಂಧ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನಮಗೂ ಗಾಯತ್ರಮ್ಮ ಹಾಗೂ ಅವರು ಕೊಟ್ಟರು ದೂರಿಗೂ ಸಂಬಂಧ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನಾವು ಒಬ್ಬಂಟಿಗರು, ನಮ್ಮಿಂದ ಓಡಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೂ ಆಗುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೂ ಕರೆಯಬೇಡಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ಮಗಳ ಓದು ಭವಿಷ್ಯ ಏನು ಆಗಬಾರದು.
This is a witness, is it?
Mother, my lord. No, my lord, I shall take your lord.
Whose mother? The victim's mother.
Victim's mother, another victims, so called. Now kindly go to page 72 now. Then I shall take your lordship to the next statement, page 72. Namma mele complaint kottru, because her name is also included in the complaint as one of the victims. Namma mele complaint kottrudu sullu, namme mele yak complaint kottidare gottilla. ಬೇರೆಯವರು ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ದರೂ ಅವರು ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಯಾಕೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು, ನಮ್ಮ ಮೇಲೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟವರ ಹೆಸರು so and so. Then my lord, next page. ಆಟ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ, ಊಟ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ, ಓದ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. Now my lord, kindly go to next
page.
The father, 77. Grandfather. Kindly go to page 78.
Of the victim?
Of the victim. My lord, kindly go to page 78. My lord.
Yes.
And the middle.
ನೋಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನೇ.
ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಕರೆಯಬೇಡಿ, ಈ ಮುಂದೆ SP ಸಾಹೇಬ್ರಿಗೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೇನೆ. Next, ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೂ.
Now what is the challenge here?
Well, the challenge is the order of taking cognizance for more than one offense. Number one, if my lord is inclined to accept my submission that from her 164 statement, you not even a tinge of evidence with regard to an offense under section 376. Number one. Number two, my lord, it is covered by your lordship's judgment, which in fact came to be confirmed by the Honorable Supreme Court, that religious institutions. Kindly turn to page 2, my lord. Then same thing, same offenses, same thing. Kindly turn to page 2 of my compilation, the proceeding sheet.
Cognizance taken.
Yalla, same.
Religious institution misuse, juvenile justice.
Idu tappe. But the latest judgment of the Supreme Court is in Delhi Race Club case, how the court has got to take cognizance, how the court has got to pass the order under section 204. Same thing. Your lordship in fact has quashed religious institutions prevention.
That's the only thing I've quashed out of this.
No, your lordship has quashed all the three.
All the three ಯಾವುದು?
Yes. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ SC/ST ಬೇರೆ ಇತ್ತು ಜೊತೆಗೆ.
ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಅದಿತ್ತು.
SC/ST ರಿಲಿಜಿಯಸ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್, ಆಮೇಲೆ 75 and 77 of the Juvenile Justice Act ಹೋಯ್ತು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದು ಒಂದು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಿತ್ತು ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅಲ್ಟಿಮೇಟ್ಲಿ ವಾಟ್ ರಿಮೈಂಡ್ ವಾಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ 376
And POCSO.
ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಬಾಕಿದೆಲ್ಲ ಹೋಯ್ತು.
Same thing we'll do here also.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 376 ಆಗಲ್ಲ.
That will answer.
Yes,
Yes.
probably it may warrant some examination at your
But
lordship.
the amalgam of this cannot continue.
And ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದೇ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಪುನಃ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ 2 ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್, ಸೇಮ್ ಎವಿಡೆನ್ಸ್. Another is at serial number 91.
91 ಇವತ್ತಿದೆ.
ಹೌದು ಇವತ್ತೇ ಇದೆ ಅದನ್ನು. 96, I am sorry my lords. Same.
Yes, Jagdish.
File
No, these copy ilva, ಅದು file ilva. Why?
seems to be misplaced in the office. It's not.
ಎಲ್ಲ teething problems.
Your lordship,
No.
in earlier case, my lord,
Earlier case I have quashed.
yes, madam.
I have retained only the offense under section 376.
Yes.
2N
Yes.
of repeated rape.
Yes, madam.
And the, I think another POCSO case.
Folks, okay.
ಅದು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೇರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ I have quashed and that is found by Supreme Court. Where is
Yes,
that order, Supreme Court?
Yes. Supreme Court has said you proceed to frame the charge only for the such of those offences that has been.
There is a
referred to.
reference to the order that this court had passed.
Paragraph 5, my lords. Paragraph 5. Your lordship would get the connecting link in the previous page, para 1.
The High Court, very detailed order implementing this
Yes.
petition, touched upon the merits.
And your lordship may recall to your lordship's memory, the writ petition that had been filed, ಈ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲೇ don't enter this district.
Correct, that I
ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ
remember.
ಇದೇ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ.
That I remember.
The learned judge would issue a non-bailable warrant.
No, that is all,
No, same
all
case.
orders are over. I know in this case.
In this case,
So where is the reference to my order in this?
your lordship's, my lord, para 1, page 4.
Page 4. Page 4.
3 and 7 of Religious Institution Prevention of Misuser Act. Sections 3(1), etc. of the Scheduled Caste and Scheduled Tribes Prevention of Atrocities Act 1999, etc., etc.
The charges have been quashed in the following. I remember, gang rape I have, gang rape ಇದೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ? ಇಲ್ಲ.
Blood,
Not one ಬೇರೆ ಇತ್ತು, ಅದನ್ನು
paragraph.
201 I have quashed.
Last but one page ಅಲ್ಲಿ, the trial court.
What remains is 376 2N, 376 3, 5 and 6 of POCSO. ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
What the Supreme Court has said is the trial court forthwith will frame the charge afresh in the light of the order dated 11th of
Yes.
March 2024 passed by the High Court.
Now this cannot sustain. ಇದೇ ತರ. Whether
Yep.
376 ಆಗುತ್ತೋ ಇಲ್ವೋ we'll see.
day after
But religious institution ಇದೆಲ್ಲ it can't.
that has to go, my lord, but day after tomorrow I'll have to look at the entire record, my lord, then I'll, day after.
We'll take it day after tomorrow. ಈಗ ಅರ್ಜೆಂಟ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡೇಟ್ ಏನು?
ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
ಈ ವಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ? Then ನಾಡಿದ್ದು
Day after
ತಗೊಂತೀನಿ. Heard the learned senior counsel, C.V. Nagesh appearing.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, what my colleague tells me is, ಅವರೇನೋ ಒಂದು ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇವ್ರನ್ನ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅಂತ ಈ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ SP ಹತ್ರ.
Let's see.
Yes.
Heard the learned senior.
SP ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಲೆಟರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿವ್ರು ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕೆ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ he is released now on bail, my lord. Supreme Court. In fact, ನಾವೇ ಮಾಡಿದ ತಪ್ಪದರಲ್ಲಿ. We submitted before the Supreme Court, if the apprehension of the prosecution is that I am likely to tamper with the prosecution witnesses, let them file a list of material witnesses list. No sooner their examination is over, I will be out. Then, my lord, they would file a list of 13 witnesses. Their examination, cross-examination, everything is over. Now they are set off. Now, my lord, they have gone to the SP and made an application
All
for
right,
him to lay
yes.
their hands.
In this case,
Yes, in this case.
heard the learned senior counsel C.V. Nagesh appearing for the
And
petitioner.
96 also, connected.
ಅದು ಬರ್ಲಿ.
ಆಯ್ತು.
ಎರಡು ಕನೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ?
ಹೌದು, ಇದೇ FIR.
ಸೇಮ್
Same.
96.
The charge sheet.
Same complainant.
ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಸೇಮ್.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಅದೇನೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ
Victim A, victim B ಇದು.
ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ, ಕೈಂಡ್ಲಿ ಬೇರೆ ಫಾರ್ ಎ ಮಿನಿಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು.
No, whether it would meet 376 3 and 376 2N and POCSO, we will consider.
Still worse, my lord. May I just request you lordship, ಈಗ ನಾನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಲ್ಲ, kindly have that, man, page 86. ಈ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ದಿ ಅದರ್ ವಿಕ್ಟಿಮ್ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ
ಅದೇ ವಿಕ್ಟಿಮ್ A, victim B ಅಂತ.
ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ, ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಇದು ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು. Kindly go to page 89. On the strength of this audio conversation,
89
88 ಇಂದ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 89 ಹೋಗೋಣ.
18.
ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ. At the top.
ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
My lord, compilation which I have given.
Compilation.
ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡಿ. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ದಪ್ಪ ಇತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದು, ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲೂ ಇದೆ. Same thing.
80?
88 it commences. Kindly go to 89 minutes per second. At the top.
ಈ ತರ ನೋಡಿದ್ರು ಅದಾ?
ಅದೇ.
ಹಾ.
ಇಷ್ಟು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಿನ್ ಗಂಟೆ ಏನ್ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ? ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ನನಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಫ್ಯೂ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಡೌನ್ ಬಿಲೋ. ಮತ್ತೆ ನಿನ್ ಭವಿಷ್ಯ ಹೆಂಗಲೆ? ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಪ್ಪ ಅದಾನ? ಇಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಮ್ಮಪ್ಪ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅದು ನಮ್ಮಮ್ಮ ಸಾಕ್ತಾರ ಸರ್. ನಮ್ಮಮ್ಮಂಗೆ ಅಂತ ಕಷ್ಟ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಕೂಡ ಕೆಲ್ಸಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. Next, kindly go to page 90, my lord.
This is the victim speaking?
Yes, victim. She admits in her 164 statement, yes, this is my voice, I spoke. My lord, what this fellow says is, I am going to marry you, you don't worry. You tell that lie. ಸುಳ್ಳು ಹೇಳು ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ನೀನು ಅದು ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ಅದನ್ನ. Kindly go to page 90 now. ನಾನು ನಿನ್ನ ಮದುವೆ ಆಗ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ. Then the victim says, ಸರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ನಮ್ಮ ಗುರುಗಳು ದೇವರಿದ್ದಾಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಆ ಥರ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಸರ್ ನಾನು ಮದುವೆ ಆಗಲಿ ಅಂತ. Kindly go to page 90 now. ಹೇ ಓದ್ ನೀನ್ ಬೇಡ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದು ಯಾರು? ನೀನ್ ಓದ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಿನಗೆ ಬೇಕೋ ಬೇಡವೋ ಇದು ನಿಂಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಅವಕಾಶಗಳು ಬೇಕಂತೀಯ, ಓದ್ಬೇಕಂತೀಯ, ನೀನೊಂದು ಸಣ್ಣ ಸುಳ್ಳು ಹೇಳಕ್ ತಯಾರಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ನನಗೆ ಸುಳ್ಳು ಹೇಳಕ್ ಇಷ್ಟ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸುಳ್ಳು ಹೇಳಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಅನುಭವಿಸ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಕೈಂಡ್ಲಿ ಗೋ ಟು ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪೇಜ್ ಮೇಲೆ 91. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮದುವೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಬರುತ್ತಿಲ್ಲಿ 91 4th ಲೈನ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಟಾಪ್. ನಿನ್ ಮದ್ವೆಗೆ ನಾಳೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗತ್ತೆ ಅಂತನಾ? ಹ್ಞೂ ಸರ್, ನಾನು ಆಗ್ತೀನಿ ಮದ್ವೆ, ಚಿಂತೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಡ. ಹ್ಞೂ ಬೇಡಪ್ಪ ಸರ್, ಯಾಕೆ ದಪ್ಪ ಅದೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀಯಾ? ನಿನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ನನಗೆ ಆ ಥರ ಫೀಲಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಸಾರ್ ಥರ ನೋಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ, ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಯಾವ ಥರ ನೋಡ್ತೀಯ? ಸರ್ ಥರ ನೋಡ್ತೀನಿ. ನೋ ಮೈ ಲಾರ್ಡ್, ಕೈಂಡ್ಲಿ ಗೋ. ಇನ್ ಹರ್ 164 ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ವಿಚ್ ಮೈ ಲಾರ್ಡ್ ಗೆಟ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್, ಶಿ ಸೇಸ್ ಮುಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕಾದಷ್ಟಿದೆ. ಕೈಂಡ್ಲಿ ಗೋ ಟು 93, ಮೈ ಲಾರ್ಡ್. ದಿಸ್ ವುಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಬಿ ರೆಲೆವೆಂಟ್. ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಿ ಬಾಟಮ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ 10 sentences ಅಬೌವ್. ನಿನಗೆ ಮನೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಇದು ಸುಳ್ಳು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ. ನಿಮ್ ಭವಿಷ್ಯ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ, ನಿನ್ ಮದುವೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಏನೂ ಬೇಡ ಸರ್ ನಮ್ಮಮ್ಮಂಗೆ. ಏನೂ ಬೇಡ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಂತ ಕಷ್ಟ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನೇ ಕೆಲ್ಸಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ, ನಮ್ಮಮ್ಮನ್ ನಾವೇ ಸಾಕ್ತಿವಿ.
So this is victim B statement.
Victim.
The conversation between.
I shall give you lordship. May I just pass on the
Conversation
164
between
statement?
That the conversation between the one of the accused
Yes,
whose case
ನೀವು
has been
ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು.
quashed.
ಹೌದು.
The quash ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಸುಪ್ರೀಂ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆ. ಅದನ್ನ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ವಾ ನೀವು? ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಲ್ಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು
Conversation is
ಇದನ್ನ
part of the case file.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಸುಪ್ರೀಂ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್. ದಿ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಇಸ್
That's
ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್
correct.
ಬಿಫೋರ್ ದ ಸುಪ್ರೀಂ ಕೋರ್ಟ್.
This conversation.
What happened was this. I don't know how far I would be justified in making this submission before your lordship. The matter ought to have come up before the bench that is constituted to try the offences said to have been committed by the MLAs and MPs, farmer and all that. He was a former MLA, this man, the person who did it. And despite me making a motion, my lord, it has to go to
It's
the
my
roaster.
order, is it? No.
ಅಲ್ಲ,
Roaster bench ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ my friend Mr. Jagdish was also there along with me on that day. We made a submission. Somehow, my lord, the court said, no, it has been listed before me, I would take it up. The petition came to be allowed. Now we have questioned it before the Supreme Court. Supreme Court has admitted and the matter is pending. Anyway, that is incidental because since my friend Jagdish said it, I said, that's it.
All right, now, see, this also is an amalgam of all the offences.
Yes, yes.
Whatever I
offense.
have quashed finds place in this. So we will have to stay all that and you answer everything. Yes.
ಅಲ್ಲ, day after tomorrow, your lordship may keep it manually.
All right, but don't,
No.
now don't insist on,
The complainant seems to have filed it.
that's
will
all
not-
right, yes. Heard the learned senior counsel C.V. Nagesh appearing for the petitioner. The petitioner in both the cases is common and the challenge is common, as one petition pertains to victim A and the other victim B. This court, while answering the challenge to the charges so framed against this petitioner in writ petition 4511 of 2023 and 4531 of 2023, quashed certain charges and sustained certain charges. The matter incidentally reached the apex court and the apex court affirmed those findings in a different proceeding, albeit in a different proceeding. The charges so quashed were as follows, and the charges sustained are as follows. Madam, illi mark madidini. The apex court directed that the special court would frame charges only in terms of what this court had directed. Therefore, the charges today against the petitioner in the aforesaid case is for offence punishable under section 376(2)(n), 376(3) and section 5 and 6 of the POCSO Act 2012. The present cases spring from the same complaint. The offence is identical. The cognizance taken in these cases run completely counter to what this court had held in the aforesaid case, which is noted and tacitly affirmed by the apex court. In that light, the offences that are all quashed against are all quashed in the charges so framed in the aforesaid case shall inure to the benefit of the petitioner in the case at hand as well. The learned additional SPP would submit that he would go through the papers and make his submissions day after tomorrow, date after day. The learned senior counsel submits that the complainant has already submitted a representation to the superintendent of police seeking the arrest of the petitioner. Therefore, till the matter is heard and disposed, no precipitative action shall be taken against the petitioner.
But the cognizance is also similar.
Ella,
Cognizance order is also
completely similar.
Carbon copy. Adhe order, akshara kuda vyathyasa illa.
No, because
Same judge.
I myself quashed everything. I can't permit this to go on.
Same judge. Well, 96 also you will.
Same, I'm tagging the two.
Please.
Tag this petition along with serial number 96. Yes, next. In the meantime, learned counsel for the petitioner is directed to serve on the counsel who represents the respondent in the trial proceedings and file an acknowledgement. List the matter 2 weeks beyond date, madam. In the meantime, there shall be an interim order of stay of further proceedings before the concerned court. ನಿಮ್ದೇ ತಾನೆ? Next. ಅದನ್ನೇ ಹೇಳಿದೆ. Yes.
The petitioner in this case.
ಬರೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಕೋರ್ಟಿಗೆ ನೀವು? No representation.
I am held up in quota number 11, my lord, in last date of hearing.
ಆಮೇಲೆ
This case, my lord, is in Saudi Arabia in working, my lord. NPW was issued against him.
Correct.
That may be stayed, my lord.
No,
because
sir.
Anticipatory bail was granted, my lord, for a certain period. That time he applied for a Tatkal visa and that point of time it was over, my lord, period was over.
Where are you now, Saudi?
Yes, my lord, Saudi Arabia. That anticipate.
You are not participating in the proceeding?
No, my lord, I am
Come.
not no, to come, my lord, I applied anticipatory bail, my lord. Bail was granted there, my lord.
You come and face the trial. I will grant you what order is to be granted.
No, NBW maybe.
No, when do you come?
Once, my lord, they will apply for a Tatkal visa.
First ticket ತೋರಿಸಿ ಯಾವಾಗ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂತ.
Passport expire ಆಗೋಗಿದೆ.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಹಾಕಿ I will direct them to do first come and participate in the trial. ಆಮೇಲೆ NBW stay ಅಲ್ಲ.
No, without clearance from that, my lord, they will not renew the passport, my lord.
Application ಹಾಕಿ sir. I will direct all that. File an application. Saudil ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು don't try to get an interim order here. Yes. List on next Tuesday in the fresh matters list. Please. Tuesday, Wednesday, sorry.
Appear for petitioner's counsel, my lord.
Atrocity.
SC/ST atrocity case has been heard, registered.
Yes,
against
ranks of
inquiry
Abdullah.
license holder.
Yes, my lord, there is a serious allegation, there is a specific, kindly, my lord, public A2, page number 38, my lord.
ಇವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರ ಅಲ್ಲಿ?
ಇವ್ರು ಇದ್ರು
ಇವ್ರ ಮದರ ಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಲೈಸೆನ್ಸ್
Mother is a, my lord,
ಆಯ್ತು. ಇವ್ರ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರ ಅಲ್ಲಿ? Because he is a public servant, ಇವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ atrocity.
There is CW2 and 3 are the eyewitnesses.
ಅದು ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ವಿಟ್ನೆಸಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಅವರೇನೆ.
So
And-
specifically.
and accused
public
ಇಬ್ರೇ
view
ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು, ಅವ್ರು
specifically-
5-6 ಜನ ಇದ್ರು. That is the allegation.
Anyway, it's heard the learned senior counsel Arun Sham appearing for the petitioner. A dispute between the mother of the petitioner and the complainant with regard to certain quarrying license has driven the petitioner, a public servant, into the web of crime for offence punishable under sections so and so of the Atrocities Act. A perusal at the complaint, charge sheet hakidira?
Charge sheet ಆಗಿದೆ. Cognizance has been taken.
The
Page 21.
perusal at the complaint or the summary of the charge sheet nowhere indicates the role of the petitioner in hurling any abuse against the complainant Therefore, there shall be an interim order of stay of further proceeding qua the petitioner till the next date of hearing. ಇದು ಒಂದು ಡೇಟ್ ಕೊಡಿ ಮೇಡಮ್, 4 weeks ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಡೇಟ್. One
Obliged.
HCGP, 2 emergent notice. Heard the learned senior counsel Arun Shyam ಅಂತ ಮೇಲೆ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟ. Yes, next.
Obliged. Great.
Yes, sir.
Order number 12.
Appearing on behalf of the
I appeal
petitioner.
for the respondent. This is the maintenance petition, your lordship.
Huh?
What is challenged here is the
ಏನೋ ಸೆಟಲ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ವಾ?
payment of interim
Not in this
maintenance.
case,
is being
that was
challenged.
my lord's the other matter.
Okay.
Mediation
Ah.
ನಡೀತಿದೆ.
ಹಾ.
Today is the date in that. My lord, I sought for a stay, my lords, of the interim maintenance, my lords. of-
ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಡ್ಯೂ?
Now, my lords, 8,90,000 rupees is due, my lord.
Yes, your lord.
ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ?
From the date of filing is the order.
ಹಾ.
90,000 per month is the interim maintenance.
Hmm.
Till the date the stay was granted by
90,000
the,
is the interim maintenance.
Yes.
Why so much?
because the child is suffering from partial autism, your lordship.
Autism.
The mother is not
That
working.
is undisputed.
Mother is not working?
Mother is not working.
She was working, my lords. She's got rental income. That is under dispute.
I will decide that.
That, my
But you
lords,
clear the arrears.
appellate court. My lords, I'm ready, my lords, I shall deposit that amount
Hmm.
in a time frame, my lords, in before the appellate court.
Hmm.
My lords, let it be kept, my lords, with the court. Subject to the outcome, my lords.
All
of
right.
the-
But maintenance ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆಗಿ?
No,
I
stay
had
has
to
been,
make an application
Stay
and
ಇದೆಯಾ ಅಲ್ಲಿ?
stay has been granted by this honorable court.
so far 10 lakhs has been paid, your lordship. In the last date, he has deposited 5 lakhs.
Not deposited 5 lakhs?
He has deposited 5 lakhs.
Let us withdraw the 5 lakhs.
The
Yes.
10 lakhs, my lords, the remaining amount,
You deposit the remaining amount, you will,
Till date, if we calculate, your lordship, it would be 32 lakhs.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದ್
But-
ಮಾಡೋಣ ಆಮೇಲೆ. ಈಗ 5 ಲಕ್ಷ withdraw ಮಾಡಿ.
Ah, order ಆಗಿದೆ. We have filed application also.
Already filed.
Yes, sir.
ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆಯಾ ಅಯ್ಯೇ?
I've read.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ before the concerned court.
No, your lordship.
no,
Registrar.
this court
Here.
deposit.
This court on 13/9/2024 had passed the following order. The learned counsel appearing for the petitioner submits that the deposit of 5 lakhs has been made and an application is also filed for withdrawal of the said amount. If an application is filed, if so filed by the before the registry shall forthwith transmit the amount of 5 lakhs to the account of the petitioner after due verification. The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that due of rupees 8,90,000 according to him is to be paid to the respondent wife and would submit that it would be deposited in a phased manner. I will give you 2 installments.
Yes,
Therefore, 1 minute. But entire blanket stay 90,000 henge.
my lords, this
You have to pay
honorable.
something. You
No,
can't take a
final-
My
blanket.
lords, the school fees, so far as my daughter's school fees, my lords, and her maintenance, I'm ready to pay. Whatever are the medical charges and all, my lords, that they face, I'm ready to pay. And
Let him pay 50,000
Yes,
during
your
the
lordship.
pendency. Yes.
Final maintenance award.
That I will see. Will order the when will be okay. According to him, 8,90,000. Therefore, the petitioner shall deposit the same in a phased manner in 2 installments of 3 weeks each. The first deposit shall be made on or before the 11th of November 2024 and the next deposit be made by the 2nd of December 2024. An interim order is operating, staying the entire maintenance, staying the entire order of grant of maintenance of 90,000 to the wife. Therefore, this
Interim maintenance.
interim maintenance to the wife. Therefore, the same shall stand modified, directing the petitioner to pay 50,000 as against 90,000 during the pendency of the subject petition. List the matter on.
my lords, the appeal is pending, my lords. It's coming on 19th. Order under which I've come, lords. That appeal, my lords, pending before the sessions court itself may be disposed of.
No. First maintenance clearance.
That's at Kartini, sir.
ಅದು
So I'll-
ಕಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ. Even Supreme Court says now that
No,
that should be the prerequisite for any direction for disposal of the case. We'll take it on 13th November. 13th, 24 is it? 23. 12th November. List on 12th November.
For the payment of 50,000 also, a date may be given.
Month on month he will pay. Monthly maintenance and ಹೇಳಿ.
Earlier order was within 10th of every month. He hasn't paid.
my lords,
They say that-
sought for stay. I'll 10th. my
Anyway, I have
lords,
modified it now.
That has been
Yes.
modified. I should start.
modify to 50,000, payment of 50,000 rupees month on month, on or before 10th of every month.
Highly obliged.
Yes. Ian, council submission.
3 and 5 and 6 why
ಏನಕ್ಕೆ accused ನೆಲ್ಲ party ಮಾಡಿದೀರಾ?
that they are sanction authorities, my lord.
Sanction authorities.
Please, Your Honor. The respond number 2, Your Honor, is now
Sir, one ನಿಮಿಷ. Crime ಅಲ್ಲಿ? Who is the accused there?
accused number 2
Sorry, who is the complainant there?
complaint.
ಇರೋದು 13 sanctioning authorities ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲ?
For complaint is for respond number 4, my lord.
Why do you want commissioner, regional joint director?
Now they are giving sanction, my lord, for
Now they're giving sanction.
the my lord, subsequently on 5/6/2024, my lord, as per annexure Q letter, my lord, they sought for the details of the pending cases for
So
giving
what?
sanction, for
So
giving
what?
sanction. In that list, my lord, the petitioner name is also included.
We'll see. Office objections overruled. We'll post the matter on Monday in the fresh matters. Next.
22 also similar, serial number 20.
2 ನಿಮಿಷ ಕಾಯಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. Yes.
This year has been filed. 420, it be 34.
Office objection ಏನ್ sir?
Yeah, ಅದು jurisdiction police ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Complaint, I have produced the copy.
5 objection ಇದೆ. Index ಸರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, name ಸರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ.
Complaint.
Office objections to be complied with. In the event they stand complied, list the matter on Monday in the fresh matters list. Next.
Appear for the petition. This matter. Respondent number 3, 4, their office objection is why respond 3 and 4.
Why have you made them?
Your Lordship, kindly see page number 86. Respondent 3 is accused number 1 in that matter.
Why do you make accused as respondents?
Your Lordship, kindly see that petitioners have purchased this property from these two, 3
That's
and
all right, sir. He is co-accused. Why should they be made respondents?
then the notice
Yes.
may be
Office objections to be complied with. In the event they stand complied, list the matter on Monday in the fresh matters list. Next.
16.
For the petitioner, my lords, I've made R2 a party in the proceedings because R2 is in fact a non-existent person, my lords. It just states Managing Director Tafe Access Private Limited.
Office objections overruled. Monday, fresh matters. Next.
17.
I represent the petitioner. Certified copy of entire order sheet and charge sheet.
Overruled. Monday.
18.
The full
Petitioner, my lords.
office objections overruled. Post on Monday.
Those 2 objections have been raised. One with regard to entire order sheet, barring 2 dates where I produced the E-codes printout. The rest of it is the certified.
Monday. Overruled. Monday.
Grateful.
Yes, next.
19.
Petitioner, no. Producer downloaded the copy of the order sheet, last 2 dates.
Overruled. Monday.
20.
petition. De facto complaint has filed the present appeal petition, Lord.
ಯಾಕೆ? Office objection ಏನು?
APP ಅನ್ನೋ what individual capacity file ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅಂತ.
You are the public prosecutor.
No, I'm the de facto complaint I
All
filed.
right. What is the office objection?
ಅದು APP personal capacity ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಫೈಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ. I filed the application to.
ಅದನ್ನೇ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದು ನೀವು. You are the APP.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು APP.
ಹಾ.
I filed 302 application that came to well order. I filed the
No locus.
submission.
ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ in that 24 orderly you can't go on everywhere.
Initially 301 application was filed, Manoj, that memo not.
ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ಆಗಿ ಅಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ. SPP ನ APP?
APP ಅಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು de facto complaint I filed application to assist the prosecutor.
Assist.
State has filed a revision. He is state thereafter has not come here. He has come directly.
So you can always assist.
He has a revisional jurisdiction which he has not exhausted.
Go before the revisional court.
ಹೋಗಿದೆ.
ಅದು ರಿಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
Reject ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಅದು ರಿಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, state matter.
311 application.
Revision petition ರಿಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
Reject ಆಗಿದೆ.
That's filed by the state.
State represented by the de facto complaint.
ಇವರೇ ಹಾಕಿರೋದು.
ನಾವೇ ಹಾಕಿ.
You should permit this. Assist ಅಷ್ಟೇ, is not seeking replacement.
ಅಲ್ಲ, 319
ಸೆಷನ್ಸ್ what offense ಏನು?
ಅಲ್ಲ ಆಗಿದೆ.
ನಾನು ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ.
Offense ಏನು?
Offense, my lord. Under section 13, under 13(1)(f),
15 and 32 of the excise.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ
Application
assist
ಎಲ್ಲ
ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಏನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಜಗದೀಶ್?
ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಆಗಿದೆ. ನಾವು 319 ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ವಿ ರಿಜೆಕ್ಟ್.
ನೀವು ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ 301 319?
319.
319.
Office objections overruled. List on Monday in the fresh matters list.
21.
Next.
My lord, only manuscript, my lord, order sheet.
Monday. Monday.
22.
Please.
ಅವ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು?
Office objection overruled.
Overruled Monday. Same. Next.
23.
The cost item, my lord, there is a .com technologies ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. It's a digital ಅಂತ Hree digital.
Monday. Overruled. Next.
Please, my lord.
Petitioner, your lordships. This is a petition that has been filed after the divorce proceedings have been finalized. So the father's name, the name will be reflected as the father's name and not the husband's name.
Overruled Monday.
Much better.
25.
Those are complied with the office objections.
Complied.
Complied.
Council submits office objections have been complied with office to verify. And in the event the stand complied, list the matter on Monday in the fresh matters list without a memo being moved. Next. 20?
The name, my lord, office objection, name is not matching with the charge sheet.
Name.
The petitioner.
Accused. ಏನ್ ನೇಮ್ ಇದೆ?
Sidhu ಅಂತ charge sheet ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. My real name is Siddesh.
Real name?
Aadhaar card.
ಸಿದ್ದೇಶ್ ಅಲಿಯಾಸ್ ಸಿದ್ದುನಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಅದರ ಸಿದ್ದು ಅಂತ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. I have nothing to do in this case also. The squabble between first accused and second accused. First accused and first and second accused and
Overruled Monday. Next.
27.
Office objection is why is a co-accused made R3? The complainant has filed a compromise petition before the matrimonial proceedings, my lord. So the entire proceedings was undertaken to be quashed. So, my lord, the other accused-
Overruled Monday.
Please.
Yes.
Pay for the petition, my lord.
28.
28, my lord. Office objection is, my lord. Our accused number 2 has made a party, my lord.
Why?
In similar petition, my lord, page number 41, my lord. 41, my lord. This, your lordship has quashed the proceedings, my lord.
ಅದರಲ್ಲೂ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಇದ್ರಾ?
Yes, my lord.
ಇದು ಸೆಟಲ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು.
ಅಲ್ಲ, same, my lord.
ಇದು ಸೆಟಲ್ಮೆಂಟ್.
Settlement.
Overruled Monday. Yes.
I have produced a downloaded copy, my lord, order sheet.
Overruled Monday.
It's ordinary challenge, typed copy minutes, it's only the rest. of the
Relying
order
on the
sheet
said
is-
order cognizance clearly typed. Type ಮಾಡಿದೀರಾ?
Typed copy, interim order, the challenge, the order, the challenge is typed copy. That in page,
In page?
in page 9, in page 21, my lords. In page 21.
Overruled Monday. Next.
31.
Office objection is respond number 2 initially G Kalpana, my lord. FIR complaint ಅಲ್ಲಿ C Kalpana ಅಂತ mention ಮಾಡಿ.
ಜೀನಾ ಸೀನಾ ಈಗ?
G Kalpana.
ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
Page number 79 MC petition ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
Yes. Overruled Monday.
Much.
Good, sir. The petitioner was
7A. Overruled Monday.
great.
33.
Name of petitioner number 3 and 4 is properly mentioned.
Overruled Monday.
34. Regarding the entire order sheet.
Overruled Monday. Next.
35.
Furnishing of PF.
Present the respondent.
Blood,
Data.
SCGP may kindly be directed to take notice for respondent.
R2 ಯಾರು?
Blood R2 is the Taluk Health Officer. Medical Termination of Pregnancy Act.
Oh, that one. Yes.
Take it.
Learned additional SPP is directed to accept notice for the second respondent as well. Registry to print the name of additional SPP as appearing for the second respondent. List this matter on the MTP.
Literally, your lordship, we may recall last occasion, investigation, I have spoke to SP, the inspector, the sub-inspector was conducting the investigation was not up to the mark. I requested to change the investigation agent.
Anyway, till then,
stay
till we close this, we'll let there be.
There is an interim order.
Wednesday, list on Wednesday in the fresh, next Wednesday, in the fresh matters list. We'll close it on that way.
Yes.
Interim order subsisting shall continue to the next date of hearing.
46.
overruled Monday.
37.
I appear for the petitioners, your lordship. And so this is a case where the offences are under the KPID.
All right, charge sheet and 411 pages idea.
Yes, more than 700 pages, your lordship. So we are not producing, only the relevant portion is
Obvious
produced.
objections
But
overruled Monday.
meanwhile, this matter may be stayed because the matter is being monitored by the Supreme Court. Similar FIRs have been stayed at page number, it is annexed along with the petition at page number.
Can't wait till Monday. If it's urgent, then they will grant it. Otherwise on Monday.
Maybe
definitely.
because the petitioner,
Monday ವರೆಗೂ ತೊಂದರೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ?
NBW is issued by the trial court.
ಕೊಡಿ. Where, what apex
At
court
page
is
number
granted?
85, next is J, your lordship.
Coordinate bench.
Yes,
Stay ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತನಾ?
yes, similar FIRs have been stayed.
Yes, madam. ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ? Yes. The learned counsel appearing for the petitioner submits that that identical FIRs, identical crime registered against the petitioner have, same petitioner,
Yes, your lordship.
same petitioner have been stayed. You would take this court through an order passed in criminal petition 2818 of 2019. The interim order so granted therein reads as follows. In that light, there shall be an interim order of stay as is granted by the coordinate bench. 1 HCGP,
38 is also same.
2
similar
emergent notice, 37, 38, same.
Obliged.
Office objections to be complied with.
Other office objections have been complied.
Whatever.
Charge sheet,
Yes.
charge sheet.
Office objections to be complied with in the meantime. Next.
39.
Shivashankar.
But it's the office objection is, but it's in the FIR we have mentioned, but it's serial number 1234.
Overruled Monday.
40.
ಮಂಡೇ ವರೆಗೂ ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಹಾಕೋಂಗಿದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳಿ. ಮಂಡೇ ವರೆಗೂ ತೊಂದರೆ ಇದ್ರೆ ತರಲಿ.
No.
But appear for the petitioner in this matter. Order sheet put up ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ objection raised.
ಮಂಡೇ.
Submission will.
Urgency ಇದೆಯಾ?
Urgency.
ಏನ್ urgency?
13B application, both the spouses has come and filed a 13B application before the family court. Thereafter, the matter was referred to mediation, but both the parties have signed the order sheet. After this is subsequent to filing this, she have filed 498. And now the police are harassing the petitioner.
1 HCGP, 2 emergent notice. The learned counsel for the petitioner takes this court through the documents appended to the petition to demonstrate that the matter was settled between, matter is settled by filing a
Not settling.
Oh,
It is
but
matter.
divorced. Divorce by mutual consent. 13B. The learned counsel for the petitioner takes this court through the documents appended to the petition to demonstrate that a petition under section 13B of the Hindu Marriage Act that was filed and the divorce already
No, not it.
filed, and after filing of the said petition, the impugned crime for the offense punishable under section 85 and 352 and 115 of the BNS is registered against the petitioner. In the light of the aforesaid proceeding being filed under section 13B, I deem it appropriate to grant an interim order of stay of all investigation against the petitioner till the next date of hearing. 1 HCGP, 2 emergent notice returnable by the 12th of November, 13th of November. Office objections to be complied with in the meantime. Next.
41.
I represent the petitioners.
Office objections.
Pagination, there is.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ.
ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
Urgency ಏನು ಉಂಟು?
Lords, now they have registered an FIR.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಮಂಡೇ ವರೆಗೂ ತಾಳಕ್ ಆಗದೆ ಇರೋ
The
urgency
only request is, my lords, they have named accused number, the petitioner is accused number 1, another person as accused number 2. They must not precipitate. The FIR, but after issuing a non-cognizable report, after the complaint was filed, for
let them, ಇದು ಬರ್ಲಿ ಮಂಡೇ ಬರ್ಲಿ. List on Monday in the, the MPML matter, special court matter.
yes, he is a former MLC petitioner. Petitioner accused number 2 is a former chief minister.
Former chief minister.
Oh. What they do?
Yes, Jagdish. appeal ಅಲ್ಲ Monday ಬರ್ಲಿ sir.
Normally lordships takes MP-MLS on Thursdays.
ಈ Thursday ರಜಾ
holiday.
because it's a holiday.
Yes,
Monday.
Monday.
Yes.
Okay. Meanwhile, we will comply with that.
Oh, this that H.D. Kumaraswamy, accused number 2.
Yes.
Heard the learned senior counsel, Prabling Navatgi appearing for the petitioner. List the matter on Monday. Office objections to be complied with in the meantime. Pagination illa, index illa. Yes. Next.
42.
ಯಾಕೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಮೇಡಮ್? Return of documents. Memo certificate copy. Application ಹಾಕಿದಾರಾ?
Memo ಹಾಕಿ.
This matter was disposed by an order dated 22nd April 2024. The petitioner now seeks return of the original documents, return of the documents appended to the petition. The registry shall return the documents appended to the petition forthwith on due verification. Yes, next.
43.
Prepare for petition, report time.
Huh?
Report time, comply with office objection. 43.
Registry the. Rectification of office. 2 weeks to comply with the office objections. Next. 30.
Hearing for the petitioner, your lordship. Split of charge sheet, your lordship. So accused number 1 and 5 to 7 are acquitted.
Accused number?
Accused number, the petitioner is accused number 4. The accused number 1, 5 to 7 are.
Where is the
acquitted.
order of acquittal?
Your lordship, I have
On the
filed one
state
document.
office objections overruled.
Lordship, I
Learned,
have filed one document, your lordship. Production of document I have filed.
ಏನದು?
The acquittal, order of the acquittal.
Where is it? Office objections overruled. Learned HCGP is directed to accept notice for the respondent list day after tomorrow. Madam, split up charge. Well, close it.
Obliged.
Yes.
45.
Recalling the order.
petition
ಏನ್ recalling?
ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನ್ ಪ್ರಾಸಿಕ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
ನಾನ್ ಪ್ರಾಸಿಕ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
ಹೌದು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ. On the day, my grandfather's brother was died. I'm not able to appear.
PM.
Yes, my lord.
This court heard so. This court on 14th March 2024 had dismissed the petition for its non-prosecution. The counsel for the petitioner has filed an application seeking recall of the same for the reasons indicated in the affidavit accompanying the application and being satisfied with the same. The order stands recalled. The petition is restored to file. Post the matter before the bench having appropriate roster. Yes, next.
46.
Office objections to be complied with. 2 weeks time is granted on Monday first to grant 2 weeks time is granted to comply with the office. Next.
47.
One is de facto complainant is not made party. In other case of other accused, he was not in picture, my lord. So he is not made.
Bring him
here
into the
also.
picture, madam. I will not quash the proceeding without the de facto complainant being made a party.
He was not there in.
Why?
A2,
Complaint
A4.
ilva?
Oh, illa. Adralli agency change ಆಯ್ತು, he is left, my lord.
Complainant ಇದಾರೋ ಇಲ್ವಾ?
He is not there in picture now because agency change and accused also are different.
I don't know the
In respect,
picture.
my lord, in
Unless
respect-
de facto complainant is a party, I will not touch the 482 petition.
For this accused, he is not the complainant, my lord. He was in respect.
ಅದೇ
of
ಒಂದೊಂದು accused complainant ಇದಾರಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ, these all ACB added as accused. He was not the complainant for these accused, my lord. Accused number 2.
See, madam, if some complaint, some proceeding has sprung because of some complaint, that complainant should be a party. I will not.
Your lordship.
This 13
we'll
1D.
Make it on the next date, my lord. And in respect of accused number 1, 2, 4, it is quashed already. In respect of accused number 5 and 6, it is stayed. And I am accused number 3, my lord.
You are the only person remaining now.
Yes, my lord. In page number
Party ಮಾಡಿ.
34, it is there.
Party. ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ party ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ವಾ ಅವರು?
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲ. That is why I have not.
That's incorrect. Without the de facto complainant, proceedings
Page
quashed.
number 174, my lord, illi agide, crash agide, my lord. I'll make it on the next date.
You
Stay
should.
granted, my lord.
Monday, yes. List on Monday. You implead the de facto complainant,
And
will
in
grant
respect
any
of
order on Monday.
another office objection regarding eligibility, not readable anta helidare, 83, 85, it is readable, my lord.
I don't worry about that. Idin
Maybe
party ಮಾಡಿ.
overruled, yes.
The office objection square legibility stands overruled. Yes, next. Ella Monday. Yes.
Maybe may point to add the party also.
Madi. Yes.
Oblige.
48.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ದಿ ಪೆಟಿಷನರ್ ಟು ಇಂಪ್ಲೀಡ್ ದಿ ಡಿ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟೋ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ as a party respondent ಅಂತ ಬರೆದು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಆಫೀಸ್ ಅಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇ ಲೆಜಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಓವರ್ ರೂಲ್ಡ್ ಅಂತ.
Council submission.
ನೀಟ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಟ್ಲ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಅನ್ಟೈಡಿ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ಕೈಯಲ್ಲೇ ಬರ್ದು ಬಿಡಿಯಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕೆ ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಬರ್ದಿದೆ? ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಬರ್ದಿರೋದೇ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ. ಮಂಡೇ office objections to be complied with. Yes, next.
49.
Notification office of recalling the order. Same, avagli ಒಂದು ಹೇಳಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ, recalling order for the reasons indicated in the affidavit accompanying. Same order.
50.
Next.
Appealing for the petition.
Office objections.
Please, the office objections have been
Complied.
Please.
Learned counsel submits office objections have been complied with. In the event they stand complied, list on Monday in the fresh matters list. Yes.
Grateful.
ಅಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ಅರ್ಜೆನ್ಸಿ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ತಾನೆ?
Please, madam. We have sought for the stay of the.
Correct. Monday ವರೆಗೂ it can wait.
Please, madam.
Yes.
51. Withdrawal motion.
51. In terms of
52.
For the pleading application, applicant, my lords. Similar order was passed in WP number 22729, my lords.
tag this petition along with
WP number 22729 of 23.
office objections ಏನು?
ಎಂಟೈರ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಏಜ್ ಪ್ರೂಫ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಏಜ್ ಪ್ರೂಫ್
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೀನಿಯರ್ ಸಿಟಿಸನ್ಸ್ ಅಬೌವ್ 60 ಅಂತ.
ಯು ಆರ್ ಕ್ಲೇಮಿಂಗ್ ಸೀನಿಯರ್ ಸಿಟಿಸನ್ಸ್.
ನಾಟ್ ಕ್ಲೈಮಿಂಗ್ ಸರ್.
ಮರ್ತ್ ಕೊಡಿ ಅದನ್ನ.
ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ
ಅದಕ್ಕೂ ವೇಜ್ ಪ್ರೂಫ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. What is that order? Tag this petition along with so and so.
My lords, date may be fixed, my lords.
Office objections overruled.
In other petitions, my lords, I have filed application for vacating stay, my lords.
All connected matters having.
Oh, ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಷ್ಟು petition ಇದೆ?
My lords, there are around
This petitioner having only this case only.
7 petitions are there in the same, on the similar list, my lords.
On a similar list, what do you
This under, with respect to forged khata, my lords.
Only tag this numbers ಬರ್ಕೊಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲ.
ಅದೆಲ್ಲದು it's already connected with WP 22729, my lords.
Tag this petition along with WP 22729 of 2023. Yes, list them all on 20.
Interim order.
25th. 25th, sorry, yes, 23rd October.
All matters having interim order.
All matters having interim order. This matter also will have interim order.
Ade vacating I think.
In the light of the interim order subsisting in all the other cases, there shall be an interim order in the case at hand as well. Other list the matter under the caption hearing on interlocutory applications. Yes.
Grateful.
Next.
53.
I appear for the petitioner in this matter. This petition has become infructuous. It may be
Thank
dismissed
you.
as.
Learned counsel submits petition is rendered infructuous. Submission is placed on record. Disposed as having become infructuous. Next.
54.
For the petitioner, my lords, kindly have it on Monday, my lords. We'll comply with the office objections.
Learned list on Monday in the fresh matters list. In the event office objections would stand complied. Next.
Grateful, my lords.
Any letter
55.
extension of time. Whatever. This court, by an order dated 2nd February 2024, had directed closure of the proceedings before the concerned court within 4 months from the date of receipt of the copy of the order. What comes is a communication dated 5/8/2024, seeking 3 more months' time to dispose the petition. Finally, 2 months' time is granted to dispose the petition as was directed by this court. Any further communication with regard to extension of time would be viewed seriously. Next.
56,
Provision of law. A week's time is granted to comply with the office objections. Next.
57,
Withdrawing. Thank you. In terms of the memo. Yes.
58,
Yes, objections. Arilla. A week's time to comply with the office objections. Next.
59,
Petition. Office objection, entire proceedings.
Overruled Monday.
My lord, petitioner and respondents got diverse by filing memorandum of settlement, my lord. So in that respondent stated that she will have no
Okay.
objection for
Correct.
next year D, my lord.
Notice ಮಾಡದ್ ಬೇಡವಾ?
A notice.
ಆಯ್ತು. One,
Annexure
if serve on, take out hand summons on. First respondent be served by way of hand summons. Learned HCGP is directed to accept notice for the second respondent. We'll post it on 4th November in the fresh matters list. Close it on that day. Yes.
60, party in person.
Yes, Gupta. Office objection. ಏನ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? Form C is equal. Office objections overruled. List the matter on Monday in the fresh matters list.
61,
I have for the petitioner who has filed this 482 petition. Petition has been falsely implicated my lord with the father.
Office objection.
Office objection is only with regard to certified copy, whatever we have received.
Legible.
Not so, but it is certified.
Not
copy,
so.
my lord. That is
Yes.
office objection.
Office objections overruled. List the matter on Monday in the fresh matters list. Yes, next.
Not for the petitioner in this case. Petitioner is the revenue inspector, my lord, for issuance of cash.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ office objections comply ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ.
Complaint, already been complained.
Already complied.
Already complained.
Already complied. List
In
the.
a critical matter, your lordship against the petitioner has granted stay for issuance of false cash certificates, my lord.
ತೊಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. List on Monday in the fresh matters list. Counsel for the petitioner submits. Office objections have been complied with. Yes, next.
Right.
63,
I'm for petition in this case 63.
Huh? You made submissions in that case or this case? Both are yours.
For petitioner in 63 also. This matter.
Restricted to the petitioner detail.
False case 2011, 2021 charge.
All right. Office objections ಏನೇನೋ ಇದೆ. Threatening of life. It's your case.
63. This is Hussain Ibn Farooq.
Comply with the office objection. What, Farooq? Farooq, yes. Comply with the office objections.
This is I will do. Need to
Monday.
be done. Monday.
Monday, yes. List on Monday in the event the office objections would stand complied. Next.
64,
For the petitioner in this case, same, lord. Same petitioner,
Overruled Monday.
grateful.
Next. Maintainability. Your
65,
answer,
I
why?
appear for us. Lord, petitioner, my lord, is.
Petitioner.
Petitioner is an institution.
No, you are for the petitioner.
He was. Yes, he was.
Ah.
Second objection is, my lord, incorporation certificate, Act 1 that is the office objection.
ಯಾಕೆ ಹಾಕಿಲ್ಲ?
Registered society, it's a registered society, they want us to produce this hotel.
Overruled Monday. Yes, next. Huh? Maintainability ಯಾಕೆ?
Office objection. So for us. So the petitioner is.
Maintainability ಯಾಕೆ?
Maintainability, for the special case order has been challenged before this honorable court under Article 226, right, which is 482.
ಹಾ.
Or 226 challenge ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ, that's what the objection says.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ 482 ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
482 read with section 482 ಅಂತ.
ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ. Revision ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು. What order are you challenging?
Order, my lord, is to, order passed in special case number 5007 of 2023.
What is that?
Discharge the respondent accused, my lord.
You are the complainant.
I am the complainant. 239 application has been entertained.
Revision ಹಾಕಿ.
Permitted to convert you.
The remedy is revision.
Maybe permitted to convert.
The learned counsel of the petitioner submits that the petition, the subject petition needs conversion to a revision petition. In the light of the said submission, the subject petition is permitted to be converted into a revision petition and placed before the concerned court. Next. Yes. For the statistical purpose.
66.
For the petitioner, my lord. Preamble sheet of the order sheet, my lord, is page number 14.
Overruled Monday.
67.
Objection, not says, non-accused have been made as petitioner.
Why?
That's with respect to prayer beam, that's. Yes. Prohibitory has been sought for. So that further affairs with respect to civil disputes not be lodged with respect, this is the third FIR.
All right, overruled Monday.
Great.
Yes.
68.
The office objections is with regard to the court fees, my lord. Court fees.
File.
It has been duly paid, my lord.
Where is your file?
Please.
Learned counsel submits office objections have been complied with. List the matter on Monday. in the
Petitioner
flesh.
is apprehending arrest, my lord. I am on a short question of issuance of proclamation.
Why you were absent? You are not attended the court.
Summons was not duly served on me.
Offense in 420, yeah?
Please, on the date of filing of charge sheet, NBW was issued to the petitioner, my lord.
1 HCGP, 2 emergent notice. Returnable by the 14th, 11th of November. List the matter on 11th of November in the fresh matters list. Proclamation or warrant of any kind hanging on the head of the petitioner shall remain stayed till the next date of hearing.
Immensely grateful.
Yes. Office objections, comply ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ? Office objections to be comply ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
Complied, my lord. Duly complied.
Duly complied. Right. Learned counsel submits, office objections have been complied with, ಆಮೇಲೆ order ಮಾಡಿ. Yes, next.
59.
In-laws,
Yes, after objection, I have complied. All the relevant papers of charge sheet I have filed.
overruled Monday. Yes.
They may be granted, my lord.
ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ ತಾನೆ?
ಕೋರ್ಟಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ.
ಕೋರ್ಟಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ?
ಇಬ್ರು
ಬೇಲ್ ಇಲ್ವಾ?
aged.
Bail ಇಲ್ವಾ?
Bail ಇದೆ.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಸೋಮವಾರದೊಳಗೆ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಉಂಟಾ?
Think they are going to frame charge ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಸೋಮವಾರದೊಳಗೆ ಆಗೋದುಂಟಾ?
I am
I
informed
think
that there is
no,
a date.
Monday. List on Monday, yes. Monday in the fresh matters list. Next.
Hearing for petitioner in this matter, my lordship. My lord, only office objection is that other parties have not been made parties in the.
Other party has not been made party. Which is that other party?
In the sense there is a impugn order has been passed, my lordship, with respect to accused, other accused whose properties has been attached. I'm concerned only, I have challenged the made adjudicating authority and appellate authority as parties, my lord.
Whose property are you seeking, sir?
My lord, my property, my lord. I'm not accused in this, any CBI case or anything, my lordship.
Madhukar Deshpande.
And the
List
property
on
was of-
Wednesday, list on Tuesday in the fresh matters list. Office objections overruled. Next.
51.
You 2 weeks to comply with the office objections. Next.
72.
Leaders. So the registry expected the FIR to be filed. This part of the charge sheet notes were given our submission.
Copy ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
A copy ಇದೆ.
Charge sheet copy ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಇದೆ.
Overruled Monday. Next.
63.
But there are 3 other similar matters. notes.
Monday
What is
ಮಾಡೋಣ.
the numbers?
Then stay, ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ stay ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು.
ಅದು FR stage ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ, WP ಆಗಿದೆ, ನಂಬರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಕೊಡಿ. Tag this petition along with so and so. Next.
Three.
My lord,
Yes, Vinod
for
Kumar.
my lord, for single cause of action, my lord, 3 cases are registered, my lord. Therefore, I sought for quashing of 2 proceedings, my lord.
Why?
Because
Separate case ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು.
it's arising out
ನಿಮಗೆ
of,
ಒಳ್ಳೇದು.
arising out of single cause of action, death of workers in the mining area. First
Special
case-
CC
Yes, ma'am.
and ಎರಡು CC ಹೆಂಗ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗತ್ತೆ?
Permissible, several cases, my lord, this honorable court was.
Split ಮಾಡಿ, 2 petition ಮಾಡಿ.
My lord,
The 2 separate charge sheets, how can you challenge in 1 petition, sir?
arising out of single cause of action, because my lord, death has taken place in the quarry. The police filed a. case
ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ,
under
2
IPC.
separate charge sheets sir ಅದು.
It's true, my lord.
Or 2 different persons
Direction
you're
to-
challenging.
Direction to return the.
All right. Learned counsel seeks a week's time to comply with the office objections and would seek return of the documents for such compliance. The registry shall return the documents for compliance with the office objections. Yes. In the event the stand complied, list this matter on 28th October.
much
Yes.
24.
Office objection, it appears is complied with me.
Huh?
Office objection has already been.
Complied.
How is Madian?
Learned counsel submits office learned senior counsel Tinanaya appearing for the petitioner submits office objections have been complied with. In NIA,
Listen, what has happened, my lord, there are 2 cases.
urgency ಇದೆ ಮಂಡೇ ಒಳಗೆ.
Swami?
ಮಂಡೇ ವರೆಗೆ ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ?
ಆಗ್ಬೋದು.
ಆಗ್ಬೋದಲ್ಲ?
ಆಗ್ಬೋದು.
ಮಂಡೇ ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ಸ್.
75.
Office objection may kindly be overruled.
Why?
My lord, the.
Because
proceedings-
you're saying so?
No, necessary, my lord.
Overruled Monday.
I seek one more intelligence.
Yes.
Not seeking any interim order in this petition, my lord. I'm only asking the trial court to decide my application, seeking the petition.
What application?
My lord, the respondent had violated had suppressed the order passed by this court dismissing his bail petition. And the magistrate was misled, and without hearing, my lord, the complainant and the observations made by this court, he was enlarged on bail. Subsequently, we noticed it and we moved the sessions court. The sessions court had fallen vacant for a period of 3 months before Chikmagalur. Thereafter, my lord, we filed an application for early hearing also. What I'm asking is only early expeditious disposal of my petition, that's all.
The petitioner is before this court seeking the following prayer. You are the complainant, huh?
Yes, madam.
The petitioner is the complainant. The accused is not a party to these proceedings. It transpires that the accused was enlarged on bail without looking into the orders passed by the coordinate bench of this court. Is the submission of the learned counsel for the petitioner. The prayer that is sought is for disposal of the application. Disposal of the application, cancellation of bail.
Yes.
Seeking cancellation of bail. And the submission is for the last 3 months, the said application is not taken into consideration. In that light, the concerned court shall dispose the application so filed on its merit after hearing the accused within 4 weeks from the date of receipt of the copy of this order, ordered accordingly.
Thank you.
Yes, next.
56.
Anti Bhushan.
Thanks.
Overruled Monday.
57.
Overruled Monday.
8.
Urgency ಇದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳಿ. ತೊಂದರೆ ಇದ್ರೆ.
They said that I have not mentioned it chronologically. There are 2 cases, my lord. One is case and the other one is counterblast. In respect of those cases, I have mentioned in chronological order, my lord. Other thing is next are J2 is
Overruled
a
Monday.
property farm.
Yes, next.
Monday, my lord.
Monday ಮೇಡಮ್. ಅಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ಅರ್ಜೆಂಟ್ ಉಂಟಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲ?
Bail ಆಗಿದೆ.
79.
Case and counter case, my lords.
ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ?
Yes, my lords. I'm entering appearance for R2, my lord. R2.
Suyog.
Ajay.
Ajay, sorry. Counsel Ajay Prabhu accepts notice for the second respondent complainant registry to print the name of so and so is appearing for the respondent.
Enter prayer, my lord.
Case counter case.
It is 354, my lord. 354 is the alleged.
ಗೊತ್ತು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. Yes. We'll have it on the day and close it.
Yeah.
Yes, they have to do.
It could be settled as a settled lordship, because it is a civil dispute.
Sit and settle.
Lords, I should seek instruction on that, my lords, until day after tomorrow, my lords.
I'll post it day after tomorrow.
No,
You
Lord.
seek instructions on settlement, not settlement by day after tomorrow.
No, lordship, at 2 weeks.
My lords,
Can't blow hot and
there is
cold.
no interim, my lords. It's 84 years, my lords, petition number 5 years.
Petition, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ stay ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ವಾ? 84 years.
Interim stay may be granted, my lords, so we settle the matter.
1 minute. Who is 84 years?
Petitioner number 5.
ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಕೊಡ್ತೇವೆ.
Please.
List the matter on 2 weeks but 10 days time. List the matter on 29th October. In the fresh matters list, there shall be an interim order of stay only insofar as petitioner number 5, accused number 5, till the next date of hearing. Better no.
This is a counter case, my lords. Because
Offense,
I had
1 minute,
complained.
offense is 354.
350 what is that?
Women ಯಾರಿದಾರಲ್ಲಿ? Petitioners. Will grant stay acquay all women.
No, only one.
Only one, na?
Like he-
Petition number 5, my lords.
5 only.
5 ಒಂದೇನಾ?
ಹೌದು.
ಒಬ್ರೇನಾ? Correct ಆಗಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ. Yes. Next.
Lords, this is a counter blast complaint, my lord. First I had
Really?
a complaint.
Yes.
Much obliged.
80.
My lord, Sophie's objections are to provide legible copies of certain page numbers.
When are you going to give?
But my lord, all those documents are certified copies taken from the trial court, my lord.
All are legible?
It's legible, my lord. We also don't have any access.
Overruled Monday.
Grateful.
Yes.
81.
The lordship's legible copies are part of the charge sheet.
Overruled Monday.
Serial number?
82.
Serial number 82, 83 and 84. The connected cases on
Tomorrow,
22nd
yes.
minutes.
When is that listed?
22nd minutes.
List the matter along numbers kodi.
Yes, ma'am.
So and so office objections overruled. List the
There's been
matter.
interim order of stay passed by this honorable court on the last day.
Kodi ಅದಲ್ಲ numbers kodi alla. In the light of Kavya, same interim order ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡಿ. Yes, list on 22nd next.
Much of this.
The PF
85.
offense,
85.
Sitaram.
It is on the way.
Huh?
Advocate is on the.
All right.
It's a pass over.
Really?
85.
Overruled Monday.
86.
86, the annexure C I produced for the limitation. They say, why I produce the annexure C? Sir,
Overruled Monday.
please.
87.
Petitioner Milord. Postco matter Milord, the office of.
Poxo.
Poxo,
Ah.
Poxo,
Posco ಅಲ್ಲ. Yes.
Poxo.
ಅದೇ. Yes.
The office objection, the affidavit shall be filed, madam. The accused is in the jail, madam. The question of the affidavit not done, madam.
Overruled Monday.
Please.
Date I appeal for the petitioner, my lords. Objection, office objection is regarding the address.
Monday.
Great.
89.
My lord,
Harrison.
my lord, in this case,
James Harrison.
my lord, in this case, I am looking to remove a LOC, a marker put by the immigration authority. This was
LOC on you? LOC on whom?
on my client. He's a citizen of USA. Mr.
Party in
Jeffrey-
person.
Jeffrey Harrison.
No, who is? You are the counsel.
I am the counsel.
You have not filed wakalat. You have not filed wakalat for him?
He has given me a general power for attorney. If you see the title,
Ask him to give you a wakalat.
I have actually got the wakalat on email. I will be filing it.
File it.
But I would just like a very 1 minute of my lord's time.
Please, yes.
What has happened in this case is an illegal LOC has been placed, which is not allowing him to represent himself against the accused. The accused stole my gold. He was
Accused stole
charge-sheeted.
husband and wife problem. What is the allegation?
The accused is number 6 in this petition, Mr. Uday Singh
Why have you made this respondent by name? Harinath Mishra, why have you made him by name? Why have you made him by name?
Because the person is supporting the accused.
Who is supporting the accused? Have
The-
you pleaded malefides against him? Have you pleaded malefides?
I have requested him to remove the marker, but there's no response from him.
So you make him by name by party by name? He is a commissioner of Bureau of, yeah, what is this, Shanti?
Lord, he's a commissioner of Bureau of Immigration. He
You
should
remove
not
the
have
name.
been- He should not have been.
Don't file petitions in somebody's name unless you attributing malefides against them. What is the matter?
Lord, the case of the petitioner is that, my lord, he happens to come to India along with his friend. And he was caught in Mumbai airport with certain amount of gold, my lord. The customs had seized that.
Oh, customs problem.
Customs had seized that. Lord, thereafter, my lord, there was some the exchange of communication between the petitioner and the customs officer. The customs officer has told him that I will let you go along with the gold. There's a criminal case booked against the customs officer also.
All right.
Thereafter, he was let. Lord,
What is the amount of gold?
Lord, it's about
33 lakhs, my lord.
33 lakhs.
This custom officer stole the gold and FIR was made.
Stole the gold?
Yeah, he stole the gold because my client was delayed in COVID.
He
time. He could not
confiscated.
collect the gold back in time. This fellow stole the gold. He has been charge
No,
sheeted.
don't use the word fellow. Yes,
I
person,
apologize, my
this
lord.
person, yes.
He is the custom officer. He stole the gold. An FIR was made against him. He was charge sheeted and he is now threatening that he will not allow my client to come into India and
Charge
he
sheet
put an
ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
illegal LOC.
No, against that person, charge sheet is filed?
Yes, my lord. It can
Lord,
be
the
seen here.
ca-
The
the-
charge sheet
Now,
copy is here.
why is the LOC hanging against him?
LOC is for a different reason, my lord.
Hmm.
That is the case of the petitioner. LOC is for the reason, my lord. Initially, he came to India on a tourist visa. He goes back and comes back on a e-business visa.
Hmm.
My lord, e-business visa, 180 days. After 180 days, he'll have to get it registered.
Yes.
What he does, my lord, before 180 days, he goes to Nepal, comes back, so that he escapes that registration. Then, my lord, violation of the e-business visa is
So
this.
file your objections.
Please.
The petitioner to appropriately describe the first respondent, not by name, but by his office. All other office objections, which are just 22 in number, be complied with by the next date. Yes, list the matter on 28th. In the event office objections would stand complied.
Great.
Next.
Hearing on I-90.
Very perfect, sir. My lord, respondent number 2, my lord, for vacating stay, my lord. My lord.
Ah,
Based on the false and misleading submissions, my lord.
Hmm.
they have
Year
secured
ಮಾಡಿದೀವಲ್ಲ. Atrocities Act ತಾನೆ?
Atrocities Act.
ಅದೇ 3 years ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ explanation ಇದೆ
ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು.
ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. SP report ಅಲ್ಲಿ explanation ಇದೆ.
You went before the
ನಂದು-
CRE cell.
Yes, my lord. So 4 months ಡಿಲೇಗೆ ನಾನು explanation ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ my lord ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಂತರ DCRE ಅವರು ಕೂಡ
Partnership problem. Partnership problem.
No, that is also because of caste only, my lord. Since almost 15 years, I have suffered, my lord. Euro, since almost 12 years in the
ಹೇಳಿದಿನಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ನೇನಿದೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕೇಳೋದೇನಿದೆ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸೊ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಇಂಗ್ರೀಡಿಯೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಎಲ್ಲಾನು.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಹರ್ಡ್ ಯು, ಇನ್ನೇ ಹಿಯರ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿದೆಯಾ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ?
ಇದು ಸೊ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಫೈಲ್ಡ್ ಇವನ್ ಸೊ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಫೋರ್ಜರಿ ಅಂತಾನು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಕೂಡ ನಾನು ಗಮನಕ್ಕೆ ತಂದಿದ್ದೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
ಆಯ್ತು.
ಅದನ್ನ ನಾನು ಐಎ ಕೂಡ
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಫೋರ್ಜರಿ ಇದೆ, ಅಫೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದು ಹೇಳಿ.
ಅಫೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಅಫೆನ್ಸ್
Atrocities Act.
ಅಟ್ರಾಸಿಟೀಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇಂಗ್ರೀಡಿಯೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
ಆಯ್ತು.
I'll go to the complaint.
No, I have heard you at length. ಮತ್ತೇನ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಮಾಡೋದು?
ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಗ್ರೀಡಿಯೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಏನಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಇಂಗ್ರೀಡಿಯೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
I have seen, I have heard you last time.
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಿಲಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಹಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಏನು? I'll post it for dictating orders.
ಮಿಲಾರ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಲ್ ರಿಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಮಿಲಾರ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ ಮೆರಿಟ್ಸ್ ಮಿಲಾರ್ಡ್.
ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಬೇಲ್ಗೂ ಇದಕ್ಕೂ ಸಂಬಂಧ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಟ್ರಯಲ್ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಲ್ ರಿಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಮಿಲಾರ್ಡ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪೀಲ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಮೇಡಮ್.
ಆಯ್ತು ಸರಿ.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪೀಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಏನಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ಸೊ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಸಬ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ 9th ಸೊ ನಾನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಪೇರ್ ಆಗ್ತೀನಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 10th ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ ಅಂತಾರೆ he has taken empty number of adjournments ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು. ಸೊ
All right, ಈಗ I've heard you, I'll post it for dictating orders, we'll dictate and close it.
ಸೊ ಒಂದು ಐಎ ಹಾಕೋದಿದೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
ಏನಯ್ಯ ಮತ್ತೆ? ನೀವು ಅಯ್ಯ ಹಾಕ್ತಾನೆ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅಡ್ಜನ್ ಆಗ್ತಾನೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ.
ಎಫ್ಐಆರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ಅನದರ್ ಎಫ್ಐಆರ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಫೋರ್ಜರಿ.
ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
Forgery. There is a forgery.
He has served the copy on me, my lord, just now.
I have served.
But he making allegation, my lord, on advocate that we have forged the signature of a petitioner on affidavit.
Petitioner affidavit ಮೇಲೆ petitioner signature is forged.
But he has registered FIR against an advocate.
You have not challenged that?
No, my lord, ನನ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತೇ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇವಾಗ ಕಾಪಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಮೊನ್ನೆ ಸೊ 10ನೇ ತಾರೀಕಿಗೆ ಆಗಿದೆ ಮೇಡಮ್.
Petitioner ಯಾರು?
ಮಿಲಾಟ್.
Petitioner ಯಾರು?
ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ petitioner ವಿಲಾಸ್ ಓಸ್ವಾಲ್ ಮಿಲಾಟ್.
ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ, ಫೋರ್ಜ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ಯಾರು?
that has to be so.
ನಿಮಿಷ, ಏನು?
So investigation.
Petitioner signature forge ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ petitioner should allege. Who are you to allege?
I'm this aggrieved party, my lord.
What
Because of-
aggrieved, sir? Petitioner, if the petitioner signature
because
is,
of-
1 minute, sir. If the petitioner's signature is forged by the advocate, it is for the petitioner to allege that. Who are you to allege?
But it is a misrepresentation, my lord.
Correct.
It is a
Why are you worried?
misrepresentation.
Why are you worried
It is-
about
it is
the
a
petitioner?
mischief.
FIR is registered.
Don't get worried about the petitioner. Who is that registered FIR in this?
Kavan Park police station. Today he has served the copy on.
ನಾನು ವಿಧಾನ
Yes,
ಸೌಧ-
Jagdish.
My lord, my lord, once
ಇವರು
the
ಆಗ್ತಾ
normal
ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ,
submission-
ಏನ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ನೀವು ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ
stating that,
ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಲ್ಲ.
my lord, he was absconding on that day. That's why advocate has for the signature and so. Absconding is the police.
That is not your concern at all. If advocate for signature forge ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ petitioner allege ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Who are you to allege?
They are both are in hand in glove. My
Who's
lord.
hand, advocate and
He was absconding, my lord. at
ಅರೆ
that-
advocate and petitioner should be close.
My lord, he was absconding, my lord, at that.
Oh.
point. It is a forged signature, my lord.
Lawyer office.
That is for him
Serious
to do
offense,
it.
my lord. It is a serious offense.
What
It is-
serious
It is a
offense?
mischief played with the court, honorable court, my lord.
No problem. Yes.
It is a, so.
Let's heard the learned counsel appearing for the petition and the respondent, list the matter on for dictating orders ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಿ. List on 22nd.
ಮಿಲಾರ್ಡ್ ಇಂಗ್ರೀಡಿಯಂಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ ಮೇಡಮ್.
ನಾನು ಇನ್ನೂ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಹಿಯರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಇಂಗ್ರೀಡಿಯೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆಯೋ ಇಲ್ವೋ ನೋಡ್ತೀನಿ. Don't worry.
I may be permitted to challenge this FIR, my lord.
Why should I permit you, sir? It's always open.
Otherwise, my lord, ಸುಮ್ನೆ party in person going on making allegation on advocates. How would we survive, my
This
lord?
is the problem. ಅವ್ರೇನೋ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ಅದನ್ನೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ.
Sorry.
ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಪರ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಬೇಕಾ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ?
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅಲ್ಲ sir.
ಮತ್ತೆ
I was very much shocked, my lord.
ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ ರೈಟ್.
Please.
ನಿಮ್ ಶಾಕ್ ನ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿ.
Please.
Yes. 22nd at 4 PM. Yes. ಅಷ್ಟರಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ತಾಳ್ಮೆಯಿಂದಿರಿ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಮಿಲಾರ್ಡ್,
Yes.
ಜೆನ್ಯೂನ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಇದೆ ಮೇಡಮ್, ಮಿಲಾರ್ಡ್.
ಆಲ್ ರೈಟ್. ಎಸ್.
ಇದನ್ನ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದಾ ಮೇಡಮ್?
ನೋ ನೋ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಈ ಕೇಸ್ಗೂ ಅದಕ್ಕೂ ಸಂಬಂಧ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್
91.
I appear for the petition.
ಏನಿದು? ಒಂದು
It's a Explosives Act, my lords.
ಶಾಂತಿ ಪುಷ್ಪ.
Crackers, my lord. The petitioner is a.
ದೀಪಾವಳಿ ಬಂತು, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸೀಸನ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
Lord, his case is that, my lord, there's no appeal provision, my lord.
ಅಪೀಲ್ ರೆಮಿಡಿ ಇಲ್ವಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. If I may bring to my lord's attention to rule number 120. ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ? The police commissioner has issued the notice without having any powers, my lord. So if my lord.
You have sought leave to avail, file an appeal.
That may I make
And
a
ಅದ್ರ
humble
ಮೇಲೆ
submission, my
ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ
lords.
writ appeal.
May I make a humble submission? In all fair event, my lords, I didn't make that submission. I was, an inspection report was filed before this honorable court. Based on that inspection report, that it was concluded, my lords.
Yes, sir. ಅಪೀಲ್ ರೆಮಿಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವಿಲ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಟ್ ದೆನ್. ಇದು GM ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕೇನು? Will recall this, huh?
Yes, my lords, but it was filed before my lords as a writ.
482 ನಾ ಇದು?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
ಅಲ್ಲ. GM it can't recall ಮಾಡಿ ನಾನೇ ಹಿಯರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
Please.
This court on 12th February 2024 had passed the following order. The order was permitting the petitioner to avail the remedy of filing an appeal. ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಅಪೀಲ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ? ರಿಟ್ ಅಪೀಲ್.
Writ appeal ಅಲ್ಲಿ there's a liberty, my lords, granted by the honorable chief at paragraph number 5, my lords, adding page number 20.
The petitioner challenged the said order before the division bench. The division bench disposed the same by the following observation. In that light, the application is filed seeking recall of the order. The order stands recalled. We'll list this matter on Tuesday.
Please, madam.
I'll hear it on Tuesday.
Interim order may be extended.
Interim order subsisting shall continue to the next date.
Please, madam. Much obliged.
Next. Delay application ಮೇಲೆ learned counsel for the respondent, in the light of the aforesaid observation by the division bench, the delay of preferring the review petition stands condoned.
Please, madam. Much obliged.
Yes.
For the petitioner, my lords, it's matter to question
For
tomorrow.
the auction purchaser, I filed an impleading application.
GM kill ಬಂದಿದೆ. Why before me?
They have filed an application for modification of the order.
ಏನ್ modification? Yes, sir.
Interim stay.
My impleading
stay.
application may be allowed. I am the auction purchaser, my lord.
But it's matter to pick up tomorrow, my lord, senior as to.
Auction purchaser implead ಆಗ್ಲಿ.
Please, my lords, I'll serve the copy.
Application IA 3 of 2023.
There were 6 properties, my.
1 minute, very application. The petition, the so and so has preferred an application seeking his impleadment into these proceedings on the score that he is the auction purchaser. In the light of, for the reasons indicated so and so in the affidavit, IA 3 of 2023 stands allowed petitioner to amend the cost title. The respondent so and so is permitted to come in as a respondent number
2.
Respondent number 2, petitioner to amend the cost title.
Tagged along with petition 517. Corrected.
1 minute, sir. So and so. Petitioner to amend the cost title. Tag the petition along with so and so. Yes, next.
Let's day after tomorrow. There is some emergency.
Day after tomorrow. Yes. Next. Extension of parole.
Please.
That petitioners has been granted bail by Supreme Court, that
Then
because
it
of your
become-
lordship's order, that sedition cases,
Oh, in that case.
all 18 accused has been granted.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕೊಟ್ರಾ?
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕೊಟ್ರು.
The learned counsel Sirajuddin submits that the petitioners, this petitioner, the husband of the petitioner,
Yes, sir.
husband of the petitioner and others have been granted bail by the apex court. In that light, the petition does not survive for any further consideration, leaving open the remedies to the petitioner, leaving open the remedies to be availed of in the event of necessity, the petition stands disposed.
94 also same.
Same,
And 99 my lords already he has been.
tension, adu beda, IA disposed anta ಮಾಡಿ. 93, 94 both.
99 also.
99 also, same.
No, my lord, 99 he has been already granted parole by the jail authority itself. It does not serve.
ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ 1 ನಿಮಿಷ, ಅದು separate order ಮಾಡು. 95 ಪೂರ್ಣಿಮಾ madam.
Lord, I'm for the respondent bank in this matter.
ಯಾವುದು madam? This petition disposed, sorry. Yes.
This is an IA which we had.
Recalling ಏನ್ madam?
Recalling ಹಾಕಿದ್ವಿ my lord, but I'm not pressing on the IA because ಅದು ನಾವು interim order ಗೆ deposit ಮಾಡಿದ amount ನ withdraw ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು.
ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ? Current counsel submits that she would not press the application seeking recall of the order in IA 2 of 2024. The submission is placed on record. Application is disposed as not pressed.
Please.
96 ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ. Extend 97. ಸಿರಾಜುದ್ದೀನ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ ಯಾವ್ದೀಗ?
97 ಬೇರೆ.
Extension of parole. ಅದೇನೋ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಏನಲ್ಲ?
ಅದು 98.
97 ನಿಮ್ದಲ್ಲ. ಯಾರು ಇಲ್ಲ. Put it up day after tomorrow. 98 extension of time.
30 minute, I have filed memo seeking not press the extension IA.
Learned counsel for the petitioner submits
For the respondent.
has filed a memo that he would not press the application seeking extension of time. In the light of the said memo, in the light of the memo, the application stands disposed. Yes, next.
99.
Sirajuddin. Parole ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರಾ?
He has already granted by writ petition number 19715 my lords.
Learned counsel Sirajuddin submits that the parole has already been granted to the husband of the petitioner. In that light, the application
Father of the petitioner.
Father of the petitioner. Father of the petition. In that light, the application seeking extension of parole would not survive for consideration, disposed as having become infructuous.
100.
I'm appearing for petitioner, my lord.
In 7 years.
No, my lord.
The petitioner has filed IA for fixing the time to comply the order of this honorable court, my lord.
Fixing the time.
Time
Annual
fix ಆಗಿದೆ.
returns.
Please, my
Where
lord.
is the order?
Final order ಆಗಿದೆ, my lords. On 18/3/2024.
Endorsement stands quashed.
Please, my lord. Time was not fixed.
14/3/24. ಏನ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಾಯ್ತು ಸರ್?
Comply, madam. But during the pendency, they have considered my representation and issued endorsement, my lord.
All right.
This IA may not survive for consideration now.
Very good.
Please.
Counsel for the petitioner submits during the pendency of the petition, the representation of the petitioner is considered and not passed. Therefore, the application seeking fixing of time by application seeking direction to fix time would not survive for consideration, disposed as having become infringed. Please. Next. Prasanna Kumar, extension of time, name the
Only on the merits, my lords, if my lords may hear it. Short point is involved.
I appear for the respondent number 2 in this matter. I'll file my objections, my lords. Interim order was granted subject to payment of rupees 3 lakhs. The same has not been complied with yet.
interim order is subject to petition depositing sum of 3 lakhs within 3 weeks from today.
That's that effect only, my lords, we have filed IA for extension of time, my lords.
It will 10/11/23, sir.
Yes.
3 weeks, 3 months.
2 weeks time may be granted.
No.
That's on merits, I am. my
No,
lords may
first
permit,
comply with this order, amal merits.
2 weeks time may be granted.
I'll post it on list on 28th October in the fresh matters list. In the event the order dated 10/11/2023 would not be complied, the interim order granted would stand automatically vacated.
Great.
Yes.
102.
Petitioner, my lord, 2 weeks time may be granted because senior is on now.
Settlement is not been completed, your.
Not completed, not possible.
Not possible ಅನ್ನಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಇವಾಗ ಯಾರ್ ಪೆಟಿಷನರ್ ಇದ್ರು ಅವರೇ ಬಂದಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
ಯಾಕೆ ಹೋಗಿಲ್ಲ? ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಇವರೇ ಬಂದಿದ್ದು, ಇವರೇ ಮೆಡಿಯೇಷನ್ಗೆ ರೆಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದು, ಮೆಡಿಯೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾರ್ಟೀಸೇ ಬಂದಿದ್ದು.
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡೇಟ್ ಏನು?
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡೇಟ್ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ಇಸ್ ರಿಜೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್.
Rejected.
Yes, my lord.
Failure of mediation.
Yes, my lord.
Merits ಮೇಲೆ ಹೇಳಿ ಸರ್.
2 weeks time. Senior is on Hyderabad.
Hyderabad.
That works. That's why.
We'll have it on Tuesday next Wednesday in the fresh matters list. On merits, interim order stands extended to the next date of hearing. 103.
Complaint is dated 4/6/2018, my lords. Lords, the facts of the case.
Poxo.
Poxo, my lords, because it's a false allegations made.
False case.
Yes, my lords, I'll pursue your lordships regarding that. Initially, the marriage of the petition number 1 with the respondent number 2 was served, my lords, is.
Served unrepresented.
Yes, my lords.
ಯಾವತ್ತು ಸರ್ವ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಮೇಡಮ್ ನೋಡಿ?
That's for 2 months back.
16/3/24.
16/3/24. 6 months ಆಗಿದೆ ಮೇಡಮ್.
My lords, marriage of the petition number 1 and the respondent number 2 solemnized on 26/8/2017.
All right.
And on 9/2/2018, there was the complaint, the petition number 1, the husband left the wife, my lords, in December 2017 itself to Qatar.
What was the age of the complainant?
And the date of marriage, my lords, is 17 years, 8 months, my lords.
17 years, 8 months.
Thereafter, he left the house, wife in the house of the petitioner, my lords, so in month of December 2000, marriage was in August 2017. December 2017, he left to the Qatar. There was some tussle between the families of both the parties. And 9/2/2018, my lords, the brother of the complainant files a complaint before the jurisdictional police, alleging some for the offense punishable section. That is the FIR also registered. It's at page number 182, my lords. Page number 182.
ಈಗ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ position? You are not together?
We are not together, my lords. We are not together. That lady is married, my lords, to her boyfriend.
Boyfriend?
I have alleged that I have given a complaint also, and they are having a kid also, my lords. That was the main reason for separation and tussle, my lords, since the husband was not here. There was a quarrel between the parties.
Husband was not here. Where were you?
He was in Kuwait, Qatar, my lords.
Qatar.
Yes, my lords, for employment.
Yes.
I produced the
Jagdish.
photographs, my lords, at page number 78 to 80 may kindly be seen, my lords.
So now who has registered this complaint?
Complaint, victim, my lords, victim.
When did you get married, sir?
My lords, 26/8/2017.
2017. She was 17 years, 8 months on that date.
Please, my lords.
All right.
That is
When,
admitted.
when
And
were
the
you separated?
Marriage certificate also issued by the.
Separate yavagadre.
20 separate months. She was living with the husband's house in till February 2018, my lords.
Hmm. Hmm. When did you go to Doha, Qatar?
How?
Huh.
My lords, in 9/2018,
Hmm.
brother of the complaint gives a brother of the petitioner, that is the second petitioner herein, files a complaint before jurisdictional police registered as crime number 77. of
Against whom?
Against victim and her parents.
Why?
My lords, for threatening with the
All right. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅದು ಏನಾಯ್ತು? ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಹಾಕಿದಾರಾ?
charge sheet ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. That is pending.
When was this complaint filed?
On 4/6/2018 months, but after almost 10 months of the
Marriage.
marriage.
ಅದು ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ.
Please, my lords. 4/6/2018. There were two complaints on the same day, my lords. One is alleging sexual assault by the husband as well as by the brother-in-law.
ಈ ಫೋಟೋಗ್ರಾಫ್ಸ್ ಯಾರು ಹಸ್ಬೆಂಡ್ ಯಾರ್ದಿದ್ದು?
This is boyfriend, my lords, her boyfriend's photographs.
ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಹಾಕಿದಾರಾ?
My lords.
ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಹಾಕಿದಾರಾ? ಎಸ್ ಜಗದೀಶ್ ಹಾಕಿರ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ.
Child marriage.
ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾರೇಜ್ ರೆಸ್ಟ್ರೆಂಟ್.
Child marriage.
ನನ್ನ ಮೇಲೆ ಹಾಕಿರೋದು ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾರೇಜ್.
Yes, Jagdish.
17 years, 8 months. Child marriage attracts in this case. 498A may be the different issue.
The crux lies there.
The child marriage, my lord,
498A, child marriage, POCSO.
child marriage and FOCSO. 490A may not be an issue, my lord, but the fact marriage is within the legal age.
Marriage?
Marriage was less than, when she was less than
No,
18 years.
that is true. Marriage is, the argument is religion permits it. Beyond 15.
Yes, my lords, that.
No, but that, my lord,
My.
No, that is not, that cannot be a valid argument,
course,
but yes, religion permits.
Religion
but
permits.
that's not a, legally. it's
That
not a
can't
valid-
be a defense.
Yes,
That's why I didn't argue on that aspect. my lords,
That
because
can't
in
be a defense because POCSO cuts across
that
all that.
religion, my lords, its edge of the plurality is considered as majority. But POCSO prevails over that personal laws, my lords.
page 20, my lord, she speaks about,
What speaks about, sir? She has gone with someone else
she may
living
have
there.
gone with somebody else. The fact remains, my lord, marriage itself, my lord, maybe because she had a relation with somebody else. Marriage has taken place when she was before attaining majority.
17 years, 8 months, quash ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು.
But
He
child
might-
marriage act has to remain.
Settlement.
Parents should be prosecuted for child.
In other cases, yes.
Yes.
In this, let us
My lords.
see. Other cases, religion also does not permit.
Correct.
ಅದರೆಲ್ಲ 14, 15 ವರ್ಷ, 16 ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Like if you allow child marriage in this case, saying the religion permits, my lord.
No, I am not saying that. I am not saying that. And that I will not say also.
No, let the child marriage act continue, my lord.
Against the parents.
Yes, ma'am.
ಈಗ ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ?
ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ
One is the husband.
husband and brother-in-law.
You are in India or in Qatar?
Petitioner one is one or two.
Now, where are you
But
staying?
One is in Qatar, my lords.
Then how did you file this petition?
That is what your lordship.
Oh, last time ಇದನ್ನೇ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದ?
How's my senior counsel was present on that.
Ah, yes, sir.
How did he file petition?
How did he file petition? I asked you to produce passport.
My lord.
You said he came and went.
He had come here for a vacation, my lord, Eid vacation.
Passport. Copy of the
I'll
passport.
produce, my lord, I'll produce.
Produce. That's why last time I told you, sitting in Qatar, you can't dictate terms.
Please, man, we'll undertake to produce the.
Yes. Placed on 21st. 22nd October. Yes,
21st.
22nd. Agalwa, 23rd Akla,
22nd.
22nd. Yes, next.
104.
Tomorrow, the big group. Date it. 20, other Friday. Dispositions Friday. On Friday. List on 25th. Yes.
This number,
Already.
103. He was entire, during the entire proceedings, my lords, he was on bail. Since there was some personal assault, he was.
First, you
admitted-
produce Madi passport. Yes.
He has
Next.
to apply for a bail, my lords, that's why he was sick. But
Apply Madi. You apply for bail. If he has to come here, you have to apply for bail. Antana. First passport produce Madi. We'll grant some order. Yes.
please, yes,
105, 106, both 25th. 7A. 25th. ಯಾವತ್ತು ಹಾಕಿರೋದು 7A? 29th.
26.
ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು 25th ಹಾಕಿರೋದು. 26th is a Saturday.
My lord, serial number 80.
80?
85.
Huh.
Petitioners person, I was just by a second I was late.
What happened? Tell me. Oh, it's on Monday. Office objections overruled Monday.
It was over.
You are not there, sir.
No, I just came.
What? Okay. Arrangement. There is no arrangement here. Order ಅಷ್ಟೇ.